Wagwan ENT.
To everywhere DJ, boom, cha-cha. We are the to everywhere DJ, yeah. To everywhere DJ, we are the to everywhere DJ, yeah. Me name is Mr. Tiger, live up on a pen. I mean your mother, they back with the back of burnt pet. Now them change up in the beat right on there. We are the to everywhere DJ, boom, cha-cha. We are the to everywhere DJ. We put them on the run and we put revenue. We touch on the ashes, we stay in the answer. His birthday, 23rd of May. You know take me to Tiger up in the no play. To everywhere DJ. Jama we are the two everywhere DJ. Yeah. But when we come and dance, we no rock up now play. You tell me, and then we start DJ. Anywhere we go, and we no like we no stay. Anywhere we look for that, they know we DJ. Me born in the April, me vision in the May. Me come and dance, I'll be the rock up now play. Jama we are the two everywhere DJ. Gotcha, the two everywhere DJ. Me say me name me Mr. Tiger, live up on the bench. I'm a lot of what me say to your girlfriend. You know say Mr. Tiger don't borrow no land. You know say Mr. Tiger a big problem. We are the two everywhere DJ. Jama we are the two everywhere DJ. Mr. Warrior Master with the man and what better than them. We come in at the dance and we no beg no friend. Intelligent lyrics that are we anthem. Conscious lyrics not be tell it to them. We are the two everywhere DJ. The two everywhere DJ. Hear me man, I tell you Smokey that him a select it for me. And more time yes and him a mix it for me. BLACKSTAR and the international sound of play. Operate your road in a Gemini Club. Yes, I Mr. Tiger, your pop DJ. Yes, I judge a guide me do it everybody say. Two everywhere DJ. Come away at the two everywhere DJ. Hear me man. Go and a little that too, and a little this go, and a little that too, and a little this go. Tell them Mr. Bruck and the king on the round. Tell them Mr. Tiger and the king on the what? Everywhere DJ, come away at the door, everywhere DJ. Come and tell them Tonto Irie why you tell it to them. Want them to need you, Jamaica, now why you want them. But your last thing comes and I play the musical list to make you jump and twist the old call crucial patchy candy. And a big request to the old call Zoom out here. Every time cause large in a yard. Let it go smoke it down. Big request to all entertainers at the place. Seko Willie, Easy Never, Arrow Seko. Every time. But I want you all time to see the one massive like this. Red man, the boy, just like this. Get up, snap, and jump to this sound. Yeah. Get up, snap, and jump to what side Scorpio, bro? Get up, snap, I'm sure the people them sound nice for them every time. Yeah, when the class comes, we go play a single. I'm so supernova superstar. I'm so the one with the nice of the love. In the dance, we got the mic in the air. It's just a single love for nation. Get up, snap, and jump to the people them. I'll spend the money. Yeah. Get up, snap, and jump to the Lickshot. Get up, snap, and jump to every time. In the street, somebody no, you see that one out. The one here. We give you the rest of your money. We give you the rest of your money, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Somebody else, man, is getting. Smoke it down, take that away. Leak some pop station to ride my bay. Make a thing called lyrics for your money. Let's sing to your style. Yeah. Alright. Give them it to them money. Lyrics for your money. Smokey play for your money. Alright. Proper lyrics for your money. Susu rippy for your money. Alright. All because of Tiger, you see. All because of Bruck you see. And all because come from militancy. And also because of Danny J, you see. Earl, Cunningham and Malvo, you see. Smokey than the best of selector for we. In a apple road, this a sound a play. You tell them it's a tiger, yes, your boss DJ. Lyrics be your money. Hey, the music be your money, alright. Cause you feel mix me Smokey than that me lover. Jama say you feel mix me Smokey than that me lover. Jama come me say strictly rubber dubber with them lover. Them love it more than chocolate, them love it more than butter. Them love it more than peach, love it more than bubble lover. Say it not feel me heart, me no carry no grudge. Me come in and the dance, me no want a quarter. Me chat up on the mic and then them ball forward. Jama say you feel mix me Smokey than that me lover. Gala say you feel mix me Smokey than that me lover. You happy and you love it and you ball forward. Me come in and the dance, me no want a quarter. Me come in and the dance, me no got you no word. Well, what the man I say?
Yes, dreadlocks. I just love an 90-10, I did it every time, see? I dedicated the general and foreigner thing. That's a cool out. Lord of mercy. Take it each and every one of you that just peace and love, see? Yeah. He said, come and us a come, come and us a come, come and us a come, I think come have some fun. He said, come and us a come, lad, with us a come, with us a come, I think come have some fun. Man, the lyrics on my mouth is like me chew a bubble gum. Lyrics them no fun than the bullet from a gun. Come in and they dance and then you wheel and turn. They tell them Papa Star, man, we come for tear it down. Me say, come and us a come, good bye-bye, with us a come, with us a come and fi come have some fun. Me say 1, 2, 3, me select and this a me. Me and the one now when they call Smokey. Me say yes a lot and got them just a touch the key. Say what you gonna do the cool and deadly. Some of them a do a little husband scatty. Me say come and us a come, eh. Me just a come, me just a come and fi come have some fun. Me say 1 time so we come in a shit in a row. Yes a miss a back come and the you tiger. One me can't left me bridging name dreadlocks Danny. Cause anything we chat a strictly reality. Cause we coming from the hands of Papa Briggy. We say anything can teach you man a culture you see. And them tell us if remember the father daddy. Break it down loud. Worries man. Come in Bruck back.
Well, easy to lick to you, lick to.
Well, selector, pull up,
Lick it, man.
pull up, in a partial, pull up. This is a new shot. You have to pull up, selector. For me, make all shots for all sound. This one is the one where them use and kill down Jumbalo. That is down in Africa. Well, we're not partial. This kill Jumbalo down in Africa. That is the helicopter.
Get flat.
Jump in on this.
Second Joe. When me and you say, Colonel stand up for call the thing them Cudel. Woman Nancy call them Dirty Peck. A man call them all kind of thing. But me not brand no girl in or just lyrics. Say, special request each and everyone whether you're a man or you a woman. Come from your car, broke up on the microphone, stand and style and fashion. You know style, you know stuff. You know stuff and style, you know paper. Say me no deal with punk out and me no deal with Tegereg. No deal with punk out, me no deal with Tegereg. Say every day them get up and them gone beg. Them wake up in the morning, them a beg a scar leg. Me give a scar leg, she want 2 slices of bread. Say the color for her, she say she want chicken leg. She see me with the orange and the girl want the peg. A girl like that, me say she must get check. Before me go a road and go deal with Tegereg. Me Me come and dance and me chat the mic instead. Not the red punk coat, me not check me take a wreck. Not the red punk coat and me not the red take a wreck. You know say Smokey and jam and them down back. You know say Zozo jam and them down back. You know say Tonto Irie if down back. Say ball forward if you down back. We chat up on the mic and the winner be chicken leg. We chat up on the mic and the number when we no beg. But tell you Mr. Buck you know me can't get check. Me no the red punk coat, me no check me take a wreck. No the red punk coat and me no the red take a wreck. Me know a little girl and her name is Annette. She comes from the parish of St. Elizabeth. She take her to the back and then she start take her set. She say she want me buy her son a Chris ballet. She want me buy her daughter a Pistiera crep. When it come to this, it's not even loving she no get. Me no the red punk coat and me no the red take a wreck. Me come and dance and bitch and they my Kingston. She see me with the chicken and the girl want the leg. She see me with the orange and the girl want a bag. I tell you that the girl jam and she don't back. But tell you Mr. Tiger and them don't back. But tell you Mr. Big and them don't back. We come and BLACKSTAR chat the mic Kingston. We know the red punk coat, we know check me take a wreck. Say come me cook a tiger oh. Say you think come me cook a tiger oh. Yeah. That's nice decision every time. Yeah. Down the line, the soul, take it down the line. Down the line, we wine. All I'm putting on style is Smokey. Those words again. But right now, we're gonna take it down the line. Sin, Zuzu, Bruck. Hey, down the line, we have to take it down the line. Down the line, they might have gone down the line. No, me, gonna see side on the from me line. Polishing the shoes and the brush make it shine. Isaiah, Mr. Tiger, me no foreign mind. Me a collect the cup and broke back, make him go down the line. You know, down the line, the microphone down the line. Down the line, the microphone down the line. We come in and they dance the lyrics, the only design. And the boy talk, let me say him for me to climb. No, farm the line, go to farm the line.
In the dance I make we be betting time. No betting a daylight saving time. When you reach on a Eastern Standard Time. Cause I'm one of a kind of coffee blow your mind. Don't you tell him Papa Star him just a rock combine. Don't you come in and the dance and make you feel so nice. Cause them your DJ and the people's choice. Cause Mr. Smoking does a keep on select. We does a catch it, me say live and direct. Not true. Down the line, the microphone down the line.
Yeah, down the line, the microphone down the line. You tell your Mr. Tiger man him do me him fine. Me hook up a girl if she wants me with time. Inside Mr. Tiger make the people feel kind. Inside Mr. Tiger me no foreign mind, you know. Down the line, the microphone down the line. Down the line, the microphone down the line. What you like to know so do a line I can't talk one time. So the microphone down the line. He comes and after the old call crucial little jam selection play by the bounce sound, the champion sound called BLACKSTAR International. With the greatest selected man called Smokey Dan. The old call Zozo damage Tonto Irie. Little jam selection. Little tiger man.
I want you to tickle me, baby.
Yeah.
Everybody tickle me.
My colleagues are saying, tickle me.
Tickle me. Every
time.
Tickle me.
Take it down slow. What's your love this bigger than stage show? Understand me no man.
BLACKSTAR the best. BLACKSTAR the best.
You call little jam selection and play by the smoke it down. You can't believe it. That's the way no smoke it down. Feel fine.
Come tickle me, every passy tickle me, every passy tickle me. You just a little jada, give them the style. You just a little jada, flash them the style. Tickle me, every
BLACKSTAR your crew, no vindictive feelings.
every passy tickle me.
How you see him color?
Flash them the style.
Black and black.
Back a belly, back a belly, come catch it, back a belly. Cause one time God was third year old, but the one is come blind, that's a clear spin your roll, every pass spin your roll. You just a liquor to the cup into the beer, spin your roll,
Every pass is spin the roll.
What one ENT?
Tickle me, tickle me, come tickle me belly, tickle me, tickle me.
Let's give it a 110 massive. Washington massive.
No one can do it like me, baby, tickle me.
Second finger.
No one can do it like I you see. Come do it with me.
Second lady.
Malvo, Malvo you want it right now.
She has a to pass it like a river. Well, I a little jolly come to give them to the road. I want to come to give them a good time. The girl will be tight, the big guy let me go. I want to come to give them to the road.
So now here comes the combination too. Well, me assure you, China gives your Bible store, general knowledge, English language. I know you get a thing called geography. Play with the Kingston, go BLACKSTAR and I the party. Step up with it. Big request to the cat like that. Step up to the cat like that. You have no star, you have no people. Set them style out. Geography, geography. Me know geography, geography, geography. Me know geography. Cause as a little you me go to primary. The teacher used to call it social study. But the past me come and just go to secondary. The teacher them a call it geography. Geography, geography. Me know geography, geography, geography. Me know geography. Cause every day the earth make a rotation. And every year the earth make a revolution. In case you never know it, a big around the sun. How many miles from earth will you find the sun? They ask the little youth up on the mic section. Jaman, 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 and 93 million. In this whole universe you have 4 oceans: Atlantic, Pacific, and the Arctic. The last ocean that are the Indian. You have some large continents and some small islands. The out of Venice, the Jamaica is one. I tell you, Bruck, I'm a Jamaican. Come to teach it to the young and the old. I want geography, geography. Me know geography, geography, geography. Me know geography. Come to teach geography on the microphone. The earth is not flat, me say the earth is round. In every country have a capital town. When it comes to geography, Bruck get the crown. You know that every year carry 4 seasons. The winter, me say spring, summer, and autumn. I tell you, Mr. Bajama, make up a machine up. Geography, geography. Me know geography, geography, geography. Me know geography. The earth is divided by the equator. You know, say the Nile are the longest river. Which part you find that upper Africa? With lyrics like these, I should be a teacher. Me left that to Billy and me bigger brother. Me come out of the stars as a entertainer. Me give thanks and praise unto Jah over here. Me come a dance hall and come teach culture. Geography, geography. Me know geography, geography, geography. Me know geography. They pull a you, they pull a you, they pull it monkey. Say lift for you, lift for you, lift it monkey. How the man has said so?
Circle you. Cause last time no say can do it, see? Not jealous you can lick a chance selection if you want to know one. Man go smoke it and keep on select.
I want to give me a chance. I bet with I said the touch.
Yeah.
I want to give me a chance, yeah.
Lord of mercy.
Give me a chance, bet with I said the touch.
Little John.
Boom shot.
Give me a chance, bet with I said the touch. Everyone in the dust. The water feel alright. Everyone in the dust.
Right.
The water jump and froze. So give me a chance with the eyes of the dawn.
From dusk till dawn.
Give me a chance with the eyes of the dawn. I'll pull up it, make the dance all full up.
I ain't come for nice to come.
I'll pull up it, make the dance all full up. Because the people in the dance all, yeah, don't wanna feel Irie, yeah. And the people in the party, yeah, don't wanna feel Irie, yeah.
Bye.
One up in the past on a large every time, you know. Second road the highway. Easy, Mr. Ling.
Easy on me. Not jealous you come part 2 time. Scene dedicated to 110 crew, Washington crew, big every time. Second by the Jamaica, you just flying Chris. Yeah, every time. See, you can't push on Little John selection. Loving the good feeling black scorpio cruising. Find a set color, sex free. Yeah. Lord of mercy, relax. You let me say long time we know that shit on the mind. Long time we know that shit on the mind. Long time we know that shit on the mind. You let me say long time we know that shit on the mind. You say long time we know that shit on the mind. You let me say long time we know that shit on the mind. You say me leave into Zion for a 3:30 flight. Leave into Zion for a 3:30 flight. When I man gone nobody cuss on ya. That's a long time me not chat it on the mic. You let me say long time me not chat it on the mic. Me say me heart and me liver and me kidney and me light. Put them together make me dynamite. Exploding at the dance it does a gas starlight. If you look up at me teeth, I know them white. As I brush it up on with me how to bright. When they come in at the dance and then me hold the mic. Me come for nice to feel a broad daylight. When me jump from me bridging 354 bike. Pass the Babylon them and the Bruck stop line. Me say long time me no dash it on the mic. Me say long time me no dash it on the mic. Me say long time me no dash it on the mic. Let me say long time me no dash it on the mic. Me say me went to a dance in a Mobile City. And the pretty girl them just a look for me. They must see what a nice and lovely MC. Anything in chat is not slack it tidy. And the broken nice on the territory. But to tell them BLACKSTAR in the vicinity. Me say long time we not touch it on the mic. You love me say long time we not touch it on the mic. But all I pull up me selector cause you tough like ya. Me say DJ like me not should be a dreadlocks. Come in Tiger.
No respect though. Easy general 3 early bit. Yeah. We yourself safe. Stop your crew. BLACKSTAR crew. See the body massive. You're gonna think called roll the belly. Invent by man. See? Yeah. To everyone. Roll your belly. Yes, every party. Oh. It named the roll your belly. Come on, roll your belly. Roll your belly, come and roll your belly. In him the roll your belly, come and roll your belly. Roll your belly, come and run your belly. Well, then everybody party roll your belly. And see the valley party, come and roll your belly. I tell you, I tiger me tongue militancy. I in a Gemini Club with the militancy. Roll your belly, come and roll your belly. Roll your belly, come and roll your belly. Come on, me nice of the dance, nice of the party. You tell them Mr. Tiger in the community. Get your tape and you just set Mr. Ever ready. But tell them please don't ever pirate me. It never roll your belly, come and run your belly. Roll your belly, come and roll your belly. Well, alright, we have to broke back. Big preview.
Listen, me go, me say me nah run a job. Listen, me go, me say me nah run a job. Me name my daddy back, me say me don't use no dub. Me don't use heroin, me don't sniff talk. Me don't drink from me some of the eat talk. I strictly sentimental with the DJ smoke. Me put the bush hurt, Jaja know me have a job. Me chew up on the mic, it's like I am on a love. Brock, back him down, dog and Brock, back him down, man. Me come in at the dance, let me come here for work. I won't leave for people, them come here for sport. The same set of people and them and support. Them all forward and I and them promote. Me come in chat, they might say to me, let me have it talk. Me come in at the dance, they want me up, can't run out. They slipping on me pocket with the mic on me mouth. And all of the people, them a jump and shout. Me have enough lyrics, they work things out. Me good sense familiar with the DJ smoke. Me drink in the kitchen and me drink up me sound. Me drink champagne, me no use the cocaine. A thing like that might blow my brain. A special dedication to all us man. Me fun the sensibility, get the inspiration. So pump me chalice, watch on me pump me chalice for the practice. Pump me chalice, watch on me pump me chalice. I tell you, Mr. Tiger love to pump your chalice. Excellent. Yeah. And I still play the youth called Crucial Little John. And a big request to the youth, to the man like Winston Williams. Big from JBC radio station. Second Daddy Road, easy me calling.
Lad, are you bring why
John?
Lad, are you bring
Bless up for Danny Cross, the champion.
What I mix up and bless time. Why you don't say what I mix up, what I mix up and bless time. Why you sometimes they say that I say where I never will say. They say that I do.
We go put to me and Tonto, I Irie, man like Donald Trey, scene,
So why
and the entertainment scene.
why you want mix up and bend down? Why you
Earl Cunningham, you're big enough.
you want mix up and bend down? Why you can live that way? You can live
What's
that
that
way.
all massive?
No, you can live that way.
Man, check me moving along in front of us, must have been giving praise to Jam, you know.
Sometimes she said that she said that me said that she said that we do what we never do. And she knows it's that true. She knows it's that true.
When your black stick comes and I play the participation and me assure you say no vocalist they black star, you know. When you come and start a maximum enjoyment, what the youth have say I'm Tony Malvo.
Please, the man. Let's go Steve Ray. Then we'll let's call. Please, the man. There's a party sensation going on right over next door. Alright, there's a party sensation going on right over next door. Yeah, some are rap so, some are come so, some are rap so, see me I dream them, and just up young to the rhythm and the drum and the bass. Oh well, cause some of them just a people. Deep in their heart, they don't know what to do. Them just a fight. And that's right. There's a party sensation going on, alright, over next door.
Gather people, gather around, come BLACKSTAR lighting up your town. In the town, gather people, gather around, come make me rock your soul. In the town, in the dance, look come in at the dance, in the dance, look come in at the dance. Look come in at the dance, come to the water from me. The Atman's Gabi, or the cool and deadly, in the dance, what everybody. Rock on no asshole, I know nobody. Gather people, gather around, make I like your soul. No home,
Up, down, all around town. Them say that now the stars are the number one sound. Along with Mr. Back up on the microphone. Skin, flesh and bone, Jaja know what for me own. Come in and they don't take a picture of themselves. They just forget when they put selection down. And on the sound, them are the 8-pound sound. Then on the sound, them are the general sound.
so gather people, gather around.
When he comes in and play the old call, Little John said speed. And when they come out of the stars, the music and the lyrics are the best breed. So last year I know, bigger than stage show.
Can I live up for yourself alone?
Brand new.
Can I live up for yourself alone?
All on Jack and style is Smokey dance from the top. Them stereo press to all money man in I dance. We are buy out the bar and support the kitchen. You call push and Little John, look at this call the money man.
Yeah, love love in African language, what that down, the words.
Brand new.
It's the booty man, and give the poor man an happiness. You up there with the rocking chair, you better take care well. I want you to give us an happiness. You know that the tread down there. I wanna listen to everything I say. You Mr. Richmond, give us a happiness. You up there in
What one ENT?
Oh, yeah. While we get down there, everybody going up. I want to listen to me. Stop moving and get the poor man.
Second Bridgestone, I think every time.
I know you can do. I know you can do. Oh, I know you can
every time.
You Mr. Money Man, help them if you can, yeah.
Well, sexual luminous driver, like Foreign Mind, the Toyota, from the 7-0, seeing whole body, blue and white, two of them monster, second man, easy passenger. No respect to my agent Earl, massive, what type? I want to make the dogs back. Don't request to each and every one. I play it. What's my dance tonight, Angela? Well, Little John, singing style up for the money, man. What about your style about the ghetto? Families now get family won't say no easy. Special for ghetto people. We'll come down to Diego. Life in the ghetto with no easy. Life in the ghetto with no easy. Life in the ghetto with no easy. Because you serve for me pocket, me don't have no money. Have a little youth in my body hungry. Baby mother jokes and she a watch me. Can't get no work on Mr. Back him now go chop. Can't get no job a broke, back him now rap. Take up in me rubber and a blue steam back. Go to KMT, some a catch to crap. Liquor hygiene, him a say me nasty. Nasty jail rocks a call them while and Nancy. Carry down, don't tell $1.50. Me, Granny, say she want a man fee. Say you got to have a hustling ability. Living at the ghetto, but it's not easy. Man, if you wake up, say me don't do no tea. Don't eat no lunch, cause me no have no money. Don't eat no dinner, me no have no money. Still come and dance, I bring it in a style. Tell them Mr. Backy, my daddy, daddy. Lord, Papa Tiger, in my bar with me. Militancy, working on a side, on a gully bridge. If you're working on a side, on a gully bridge, to be a contractor, you have to have the knowledge. And to be technical about it, go to college. And if you're working on a side, you can't sound like porridge. You have to control the top, not try your firing lead. I suck it up, dedicate to you, to so them me bread. You me working on a side, on a gully bridge. Me just don't eat me lunch, and me teeth feel net. A bridge lick me from my finger with a big sledge. Me set me back in something real over the bridge. The police them come, them hold me right here. Them say, Mr. Tiger, what is that you did? Lord of mercy. I won't talk, but still, gotta tell you, I'm in working class. So now let me not let the working class pass. Now let me not let working class. You tell me, Mr. Tiger, now let working class. Well, easy Tiger, can we not leave the working class? I'll do them off report a morning to the boss. And I'll still play the old call crucial little chant. Select the greatest selector, the old call Smokey, that my style and fashion. Special request to all foreign mind people. Big request to the foreign mind meaning on the road, from the center road, and all of the crew.
Foreign mind and them local body.
Them ready.
Foreign mind and them local body. Remember little Jalla, them of the style with them. Foreign mind and them local body. Foreign mind and them local body.
Second answer.
The man go up, foreign figure to Magdalene. The Janin go up, foreign figure to shilling. With them foreign mind and them local body.
Nice is every time, man.
Foreign mind and them local body. Remember little Jalla, them of the style. So what that thing was?
BLACKSTAR crew. But we done it at the working class, you know.
Remember little Janin, but they can't.
Not true, little John.
Remember little Janin, keep your rocking and so what that thing was?
Rasta no. We know say banks are branches. So some more money we do on trees. If we work here. What's your luck? See comes the combination to an instead of request to the people that will love run or go live at foreign. Because we know foreign rest. I'm going to give them style here. Big big request to me and she like Tonto Irie. Second damage yet, easy Kirky. After that, more Willie, split it, ref, Ramon Passy, one up in it, Gemini Club, Arrows Pro, the inside and home is Lord, say what a thing when you live America. Jamana, what a thing when you live Canada. Jamana, what a thing when you live America. Jamana, what a thing when you live Canada. Cause when a winter you have to use the heater, and when a summer you have to use the cooler. But down in Jamaica 12 months of summer, the time get cold down in December. Jamana, what a thing when you live America. Jamana, what a thing when you live Canada. The white people them can't take the winter, so every year them run come to Jamaica. The black people them can't take the winter. Them love the sweetness up in America. The morning and evening in a windbreaker. Them even wear gloves cover them finger, but all them get a cold and pneumonia. Jamana, what a thing when you live America. Jamana, what a thing when you live Canada. Me born and me grow down in Jamaica. Me want go to Paris to go earn some dollar. Want a legal passport and a visa to travel up to England as a big timer. For ram dancehall up in Canada, because straight you up in America. Me no want live in England, America, nor Canada. So when me want live up in Africa, so me give thanks and praise unto Jah over here. Pick up my dancehall and come preach culture. You happy and you love it, then you ball out Jah Jah. I tell you Smokey and them a touch Jamaica. My para with the youth and with them proud tiger. What a thing when you live America. Jamana, what a thing when you live Canada. Me born and me grow down in Jamaica. Come in, tiger man.
Every time we sing it name. Bank of branches money grow pantry. If you work in bank of branches money grow pantry. Yeah man, bank of branches grow pantry. Yeah, a bank of branches money grow pantry. Yeah, see when you feel save you money. And invest you invest money. Spend a little money among friends and family. But make sure you know keep your bank book empty. Bank of branches money grow pantry. If you work in bank of branches money grow pantry. Yeah man, bank of branches money grow pantry. The bank of branches money grow pantry. If you tell them Mr. Tiger, him save money now. Me don't want to be old and be a beggar at rock. But tell them Mr. Tiger, him save money now. Me don't want to be a old and beggar at rock. Hey, bank of branches money grow pantry. Keep up the bank of branches money grow pantry. Stop ya! Bank of branches money grow pantry. I'm working hard to build up my island, Jamaica. I don't want to see the youth them suffer. And me elder parent must consent. You tell them Mr. Tiger with the entertainment. You tell them BLACKSTAR and BLACK excitement. Yeah man. Once again, Jesus Lord, we're going to give you next piece. But I love flash my come to one. No kitchen style, eh? Someone me living in the jungle, me say has a tiger. Me living in the jungle, me say has a tiger. Nothing tell you where you're going in the jungle. Jungle move, to jungle move. We living in the jungle, me went to jungle. Jungle move, you to the jungle move. We living in the jungle, me went to the jungle move. In the jungle, you balance the animal. The hippopotamus, the rhinoceros, the leopard, the lion. I am Tiger Rock with jungle move. Yeah, man. But I'm going here next with the piece again. Well, second imagine General Trees early beat. The one you when releasing Rabbit. It name all wheels on the road are safe for ride. All wheels on the road are safe for ride. Whether it's a car, bicycle you drive. So really in the traffic, not the right way to ride. You can't slip and you chip up when you slide. Say all wheels on the road are safe for ride. Bicycle, bike, look good when you spend money back. So don't do exhibition on the road, me lad. Do your exhibition, go to Burnham, go drag. Bicycle performance, go to stadium, lad. Dance and party people come and go. We all got to be careful, you know. Hey, you can't tire why they drop a police station, Mr. Crash, because somebody died. All wheels on the road are safer. Right, like yes, man. Always on the road to safe for ride. Always on the road to safe for ride. The 3 white cars from the BLACKSTAR Party. The 3 white cars from the BLACKSTAR Party. Well, below him drive the Mitsubishi. The man called Bruck, try the Civic, you see. The Toyota roller trip from by Brixie. You know I'm Mr. Tiger in many style. You know the spoil up on the back and the spoil up on the front. The car them look so good. Tiger tell you no man. Hey, the owner them lot. The tire them wide. The glass them since you can't see inside. But Mr. Anywhere we go, Jaja guide. I think you might the truck man taking up for the ride.
Settlement.
Oh, we have to broke back. Easy, Tiger. 2 more out of the kennel. Warm the kennel, man. Warm the kennel.
Oh, you can't tell Michael Lickshot, we'll say. We'll type massive pivot of stone.
And I'll play the old called Michael Crucial Lickshot. Play the old called Smokey and Sling nonstop. Well, he's the dead rider.
Not life is so funny.
Unlike Black Magic,
Lord of mercy.
yeah man, Red Man Rabbit.
Well, I'm still request to the man called Michael P. Live band, more than diamond and gold.
Lord of mercy.
When he comes to combination to a nice spin around, bringing the old called Crucial Earl Cunningham. Now come in Earl Cunningham, because I have a boom tune with them called the one away man. Sing for them star.
Easy Bruck back.
Well, Scorpio crew, well tight.
First to the BLACKSTAR massive. Cracky. Every massive settle. Whoa, see, they say girls can be funny. Oh Lord, girls can be funny. Say what Lord, girls can be funny. Oh Lord, see, when love was new and everything was alright. Oh girl, you used to make me feel so nice. Oh girl, but now you found someone and you're doing it on the side. Yeah, it seems as if you wanna take me for a ride. Ain't right? Oh no, that ain't right. Whoa girl, your love ain't right. Whoa no, that ain't right. Whoa girl, see, when love was new and everything was so nice. Oh yeah, you used to give me love like sugar and spice. Oh girl, but now you found someone and you're doing it on the side. Yeah, right now your love is as cold as ice. Ain't right? Oh no, BLACKSTAR you play so nice. Your love ain't right. Oh, for me, the clerk calling, I'm kind of where you go dancehall from and you get the most man. When it comes to our plan of selection of style and fashion, the original style, and the thing called the money. Special request to all of the people them who have old money and all of them who don't have old money. That means special request to everyone. Big request to the youth called Lizzie. Take a silver man, take a property man. Give me body shilling with the lion funny. Give me body shilling with the lion funny. Give me body shilling with the lion funny. Money around but only certain man get it. Money around but only certain man get it. Money around but only certain man get it. Running from the days of Julius Caesar. It's running from the days of Queen Isabella. It's running from the days of King Ferdinand. It's running from the days of Pope like Anna. It's running from the days of King Kingston. Only upper class people have the money in them hand. It's a running at the ghetto to pass the poor man. Sure, money around but only certain man take it. Money around but only certain man take it. Money around it run left me mama. Money around it run left me father. Money around it run left me brother. If me have a $5, me have to remember mama. If me have a $10, me have to remember papa. If me have a $20, me have to check me brother. Sure, money around but only certain man get it. Money around but only certain man get it. Money around but only
little man get golden days, them use the diamond and gold. Now a modern days, them have the dollars and pounds. And the wickedest thing ever happened to the world now. Some man a gamble cause they want whole money. Some man a rap because they want whole money. Some man a work cause they want whole money. So take him Mr. Back and flash it in a style. The ignition wake up when I hit up the party. What the man have said so?
Secondly, you got a school and deadly style every time, see? Now dreadlocks you call Smokey and keep on slicker and I ready with him like a jumbo jet. And him style dedicated to the general way up Miami scene. Yeah, that's a cool out and thing. Every time. Dedicated to the dancing, the kid man call Yo-Yo. Second Mr. Whip. Michael P. Okay, think on the highway rapping.
Do it, Smokey. Second. Every time, the musical is called the highway robbery from the top. When that was a farm stop, and he comes on up.
Come on and take one paycheck. Now dreadlocks is in the right. How about the son of the bird shall eat bread? Yeah, last year. Long, Mr. Children of Israel, even to Mr. Hell. Oh gosh. Mr. Mind what you do before you get kicked off the shell. Lord. Mr. Children of Israel, even to Mr. Hell. Baling, balang, hey. Say mind what you do before you get kicked off the shell. Balang, 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 balang. They say me get up every day, me have remember Jadi. Him a fi guide, him a fi protect me. Me say Rastafari a fi me philosophy. Me say music a high man fantasy. When we come in at the dance, we come fi nice party, children of Israel. Me say even to me say hell, Lord have mercy. Like two in a one and one in a three. As anything we chat a strictly reality. We say pan for me head, might none a tea. Enough for me heart is real me not tea. Anything me deal is strictly number 90, children of Israel. Yeah, even to me say hell, baling, balang, balang. Me say to remember the prophet Marcus Messiah. He tell me about something what gon' come to the dream. Hey black people say no bother, you gon' still children of Israel. Lord, me say even to me say hell, baling, balang, balang, baling. As you get up every day, you just a preach evil. Don't me no one, no devil picnic, children of Israel. Come in youth.
Well, second to find it how we come is music murder. Them can't call the police down a soldier. And I still play the old car crucial Michael Palmer. Do it, Smokey down. The thing they are Mr. Peace and them nasty.
Dedicate the you call David.
When you ask them how them doing, well in foreign.
Dedicate the man called Solomon the good says.
When them come back a yard, flash magazine, enough gold chain, enough sovereign. How storage, how them doing? Hurry tell you how to hear. Say them nasty, nasty. Yeah, 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 yeah. Them nasty, yeah. Them nasty, yeah, yeah. In a 84, me never did a thing. In a 85, put on my wing. All the girls love me, all we can sing. Them say Lickshot, you are carry the thing. Them nasty, yeah, yeah. Them nasty, yeah. And you ask Mary God, how them stay? She say upon the radio, the music not play. Them
combination to Michael Peace and them nasty. Well, see me, lyrics band, anytime we come with that style. Yeah, with the champions come down and stand tonight of the party. A big up to the Steve Right party. All came cut go, BLACKSTAR go, Second Zozo. Easy than the chin and Tonto, Irie and Tiger, you know what? Lord, in a me, lyrics band in a me. In a me, lyrics band in a me, Robert. In a me, lyrics band in a me, you know. It in a me from in a mama belly. It Everything from in a mama belly. Cause when me mommy get pregnant with me, really, this is what she said to daddy. Say when your boy born him a go be a MC. I know me come a man, me nice enough the party. Say that's the fulfillment of prophecy. Cause in a me lyrics burning on me. Come watch me. In a me lyrics burning on me. Say come Mr. Back you what they DJ daddy. Me not chat the mic before me on the empty. Me feel great because Johnny walk away stay. Me flash it in the road back on reality. And all of the girls want to power with me too. In a me lyrics burning on me. Oh, in a me lyrics burning on me. No, it's in a me from in a mama belly. It's in a me from in a mama belly. Cause when me mommy get pregnant with me, really, this is what she said to daddy. Say when your boy born him a go be a MC. I know me come a man nice enough the party. Say that's the fulfillment of prophecy. Say when you up back you what the DJ daddy. And anytime you call your flash it in a style. Me write up in me lyrics them carefully. Me come a dance and me forget in a style. And anytime me come the girls far with me. They say that smoking and they might touch up the key. So tell you that this is the night of the party. A big request and to the man named Yahweh. The one a lot more and the one turkey. A big request and to the deep right party. The black stars party of a boogie with me. Say all of the party of a bar with me. Sure, in a me lyrics burning on me. So, in a me lyrics burning on me. What the man says so?
Yeah, every time dreadlocks. No dreadlocks you come to you call crucial tenor song. Yeah, I think on old time proverbs. See? Take care of you call Tonto Irie. That's last I know you. See? Tenor song. Take it down slow. Take it down slow. What's last I know?
Well, Smokey and me I show to them tune and sign to make some boy wonder. Selassie I know. Let it go start. Anthony Malvo report. The man with them call the whip. The man called Big Winston Williamson.
Saying give thanks, crowd of people, welcome. Give thanks for coming to Sunday Blast Off in Black. Want to know, good to have everyone in the house tonight. The man Gemini came in straight from, don't know if it's New York or New York or Washington. But man Gemini is here, so welcome Jemmy. Gonna have something special for Jemmy before BLACKSTAR leave for it. Enough respect from BLACKSTAR and BLACK SCORPIO and all the fans and all the black young gifted DJs. Just before we proceed, want to know all the black princesses. Glad you're here. Eddie Fitzroy is here tonight too. Yellowman is here. We'll be doing it. All the jocks are here. And at midnight, I have 2 prizes for 2 princesses. One who wears a hair braid and another who deal with anything like curly locks or jerry curls, sending you to the black image for personality development, pedicure, manicure, facial, the whole bit for 2 princesses tonight. And we just walk around in the crowd and see who are the 2 princesses that befit this. But all the princesses are beautiful. Happy to have you. Next thing, all the top notch. Time now for Johnny Black Scotch. Let's go to the bar, all the top whiskey notch, and drink up all the Johnny Black Scotch complimentary. Because when we say we are Guinness, when I jest at this, we put on this. Saying, drink up Black Scotch right now. Saying, Johnny, I the man who willing and able, drink up complimentary Black Label courtesy of Edwin Charlie right now. Yo! More time, BLACKSTAR, give thanks.
Yes, Winston Williams. Well, that's how we do it. You can't crucial William Smith. I think the digital I think the digital I really want more time to walk it down from the top. Well, me I show you to them style. Yeah, you know, so when we write a version, big request to all you them would have loved to cool out from being not a bad boy. Yeah, second Kingston, Earl, the massive giving. Lord of mercy, my style is bad boy style, we don't want no bad boy style. Bad boy style, we don't want no bad boy style. Screw up face to the body's intense body. Screw up face to the body's intense body. You come in at the damn, you go your trash already. Nobody try but no fight with nobody. Cause you go get your pretty clothes all dirty. Just drink a juice and smoke sensei. Dance with a girl, look how them trash already. Cause this is Papa Tiger, yes you find and see. Me chat
for BLACKSTAR, it's in a category. I've been called soldier and I mix it for me. Kingston, William promotion you see. BLACKSTAR and Black Scorpio one play. On the road of halfway tree. In the club called Gemini, yes, oh yeah. But then, bad boy style, we don't want no bad boy style. Bad boy style, we don't want no bad boy style. With what? Screw on face and body's intense body. Screw on face and body's intense body. You come in at the top, motivate yourself, Irie. You come in at the top, look how you trash and ready. No, motivate yourself, yes, sensibly. It's like you Mr. Tiger, you boss DJ. Them say me, kick up the beyond for Batman belly and rub up the S down for Superman chest. No, me pick off the trickle of a equal and trickle. Running up my bridge and need some bicycle. Can't come out and do a wild rain and trickle. Well, when there was a paper ride a tricycle. I pick off a boy a 10-speed bicycle. But now me have a under 50, me no eagle. Me chat with BLACKSTAR because me capable. You know they broke my Malvo, I got them a example. You know, bad boy style, we don't want no bad boy style. But pull up, where is Malvo?
Well, Malvo and Ribbit tonight, but we're going to rap on BLACKSTAR style. Then style I come from the underground studio by Lickshot Flats. Produced by the selector, the man called Smokey Dan. Play all by BLACKSTAR International. For next song, play in style. Digital business dreadlocks. Digital business dreadlocks. If a next song boy play them out, you know what we have authority to take legal action. Well, all on chat them style of Smokey down from the top. And I sure it's only BLACKSTAR can't play them style of the slim thing. Well, Will Smith call it the slim thing and them don't know what you're saying to me them I talk about. Come in and Tony Malvo come run off the mouth. Them style I can release from BLACKSTAR label, see? Come out of my life, wait now, come out of my life, hey.
You can't stay, girl, you can't stay. Too much love in the yard, you can't stay, girl, you can't stay. Too much love in the yard, wake up in the morning, you no fix no tea. Compare trouble you can't make for me. Don't sweep the house, you don't cook the food. Compare trouble you can't make no more. You can't stay, girl, you can't stay. And too much love in the yard, you can't stay, girl, you can't stay. And too much love in the yard, in my community, no respect due to me. But since you come in, you change the pace. All of the neighbors, they must show me bad things. You can't stay, girl, you can't stay. And too much love in the yard. Come on over life, come on over life, hey wow.
BLACKSTAR's on it off the rule tonight. BLACKSTAR's on it make you feel alright. BLACKSTAR's on it off the rule tonight. BLACKSTAR's on it make you feel alright. I tell you Smokey Dan him a select it for we. And Jaja know what your militancy. I tell you Mr. Tiger get your bossing game. Who's the one go back and go decide of me. So BLACKSTAR's on it off the rule tonight. BLACKSTAR's on it make you feel alright. Yeah, BLACKSTAR's on it off the rule tonight. BLACKSTAR's on it make you feel alright. Now playing in the east and in the west. All of the people say yeah, BLACKSTAR the best. Them say that the MC's in a category because them teacher just a precategory. So BLACKSTAR's on it off the rule tonight. BLACKSTAR's on it make you feel alright. Yeah, BLACKSTAR's on it off the rule tonight. BLACKSTAR's on it make you feel alright. Please get ready. As you get ready, we got the remedy. BLACKSTAR got the plenty. Oh, well. BLACKSTAR's on it off the rule tonight. BLACKSTAR's on it make you feel alright. Yeah, BLACKSTAR's on it off the rule tonight. BLACKSTAR's on it make you feel alright. Ooh yeah, break back where you're there. Well, he's the tiger, kind of where we go, it's pure murder. Them style your question, one of all of the good friends to me, yeah. You know, star, you know, soap, you know, so I touch the mixer. Me say I do things I keep up Jamaica. Me say I do things I keep up Jamaica. Me say I do things I keep up Jamaica. From the top to the bottom, drop the bottom, call it back. Me say I do things I keep up Jamaica. So I do things I keep up Jamaica. Tiger I do things I keep up Jamaica. The tourism and the good sense in me, yeah. When the tourists come, them carry foreign dollar. Without the foreign dollar, so we can't prosper. The things where we wear, them don't make honor. The things where we eat, them don't make honor. The clothes where we wear, it don't make honor. We can't get them without the foreign dollar. Youth and youth in Jamaica, no pitch up the foreigner. Cause I do things I keep up Jamaica. Me say I do things I keep up Jamaica. Me say I do things I keep up Jamaica. Cause me say anywhere we go, we nice up the area. Bust it on the roads, our bust it culture. Coming so you want me DJ better.
Yes, Papa back, me know I murder your charge for. Now come in Scorpio, cause they them time scene. Enough Johnny Black down on the bar, the scene. Yeah.
Mighty Earl Campbell says since the video.
Me a go tell you I'm a consistency. Me a go tell you I'm a consistency. Me and me hype, so we set up a plan. Get in for the lights and we get to me pop. Clean up the beach and we park up the land. We saw the sense and we water them, man. We water them.
Mighty Earl Campbell. Allocate to one since the video, man.
I wanna Babylon come mash up my plan. Sensibilia, it better than cocaine. It not gonna sprain my brain. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. The senses start to and the money start to. Now the barrel and now me no owe. Put it on the plane and send it up for it. I said me know the smugglers, them crown king Sensibilia. It's better than cocaine. Oh, Sensibilia. It won't sprain my brain.
Red Red Locks down the line we are coming now. I come youth like Little Crucial John. We swing things same way, man. Yeah, that's how we push it, man. Play by the horseman, sound the talk of the town. Well, and voices like a rolling stone. Let's take a youth like Peter Metro. Yeah, a big request, the big from England, man. See, I come out like mighty Earl 16. I ain't push down policy. Them style we can't play by the ass man sound, man. Any sound play them style, man, get locked up, man. See, not by police, but by Sassafrass. All them style, yeah. A thing called back some move. Computerized, man. Bounces move, make it to bounces move, bounces move, make it to bounces move. In the New York, what them have to do, man. In the Canada, what them have to do. Computerized, man, every time. But in sure, kind of like better than iron and concrete and steel, man. I show the item, and so we push it, man. Man like my Earl 16, man, every time. Man full of Sassafrass, Generation and I Shuka shine. Well, all like BLACKSTAR, massive car, too big sound. Bounces move, make it to bounces move, make it to bounces move.
In the New York, where them have to do man. In the Canada,
LK usually live a man and fight face to face.
but in Jamaica, so we call them here. And the dance young one without the promoter.
Right now, I can't push slim thing from now till the morning. The rampant slim thing.
Without the tire. Watch the button so we not gonna look. Bounce is smooth, bounce is smooth, bounce is smooth, bounce is smooth, bounce and move, bounce and move, make it to bounce and move, bounce and move, bounce and move, make it to bounce and move. A dance can't run without the promoter. The sound can't play without the operator. A club can't run without the owner. The enter the dance, we feel the cat.
Check it out now, my selector. I come you like Echo Minott and Mighty Earl 16 a combination scene. Jesus Christ, the music I want to tie up my tongue, man. I'll show you. Well, go on, my selector. Push it one man easy set speed. Scene. Uncle Daddy Squiddly, Field Marshal Ambassador Selector. Listen, listen, say the equator. Passion. Passion and style. One come on not. Record the night, reactivate. Yeah, the boy play them style, yeah, man. Me I'll show you. So we push it, man. Nup, sling thing, scene. Yeah. We roll sling thing every time, man. I show them this water sling thing, make. Sure, I'll chuck up a blow the man.
All I'm full selector. Peter Metro, the biggest on our dance, man. Lift up, lift up. Well, Peter Metro, welcome back home from England, man. Toronto, America, and them places. Well, Peter Metro, you have the biggest on our dance. So blow.
Why that need $1 million laugh and a half? The water sling thing originates, so we can push them every time. See? No sling thing, man. Let's go style, yeah. I just land them bill, man. 30th Avenue.
Make the move, make the move, make the bounce in the New York, where them have to do that. In the Canada, where them have to do that. We just copy you, beats and style. One them copy you, one them style. And the dance young one without the promoter. You can't have a house without
116.
one of the things of people could show. We made the force, copy your son.
Sickle, come on, now.
7 minutes, it's got to let them say. Bounce and move, make it to bounce and move. Bounce and move, make it to bounce and move.
I don't smash on the play all the while, man. Sing.
Then let's copy your lot, pass it again. A club can't run without the owner. Then let's copy your coffee rock your fit too. You're bound to get served from a detector. Then let's have a fast, him a rock your fit too. And Shuka sign, him a rock your fit too. Security for surety, yeah. Security for surety, yeah.
I only can't play with the Kingston the blues. There's only about the big controls.
In America, where we have to do that. Then let's copy your land, the style and melody. But in Jamaica, so we call it here. Scorpio, me say, oh, wow, you. A house can't run without the window, man. Scorpio, in a pretty good shape. Club can't run without the owner. But what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna keep on me. But what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna keep on me. Bounce and move, bounce and move, bounce and move, bounce and move. Make it to bounce and move, bounce and move, bounce and move. Make it to bounce and move. Tell you this, I want it at the boom, shakata. Bounce and move, bounce and move. Tell you this, I want it at the boom, shakata. Bounce and move.
Big request to Nelson, the crew from Alpha Tree.
Put one keep on me. Put one keep, and then they mix me. Everyone them make it to bounce, bounce and move, bounce and move, make it to bounce. Tell you this, I want it at the boom, shakata. Bounce and move, bounce and move. Tell you this, I want it at the boom, shakata. Bounce and move.
Big request to Nelson, the crew from Alpha Tree.
Put one keep on me. Put one keep, and then they mix me. Everyone them have to move to the bounce. So don't lock me up, mama. Scorpio in the area. Don't lock me up, mama. Scorpio in the area. Bounce and move, to the bounce.
A twinkle box move in the fashion. I come part 7 in the Rockfort rock fashion I fling scene. I know sling thing, man. Can't worries in that Scorpio play, man. Scene, yeah. Here's my selector. One big request to you like Chatamas. One the big produce no youth. The ghetto. I come the rock foot, rock fashion, and I fling. Push by the Eton champion. The sound play them style, I see, can't worries. Trouble and problem. Yeah, I spell fling them, man. Warm. The place called Skink. The place called Opportunity. Jesus Christ. I feel the way. Hello, Gemini HQ, man. Well, let's get some style, yeah. So what a thing, I me say what a something. So what a thing, I me say what a something. Bird carry ring, I me say fish carry fin. Tell your black star, tell him carry the sting. We a sting, we a sting, we a shock, we a shock. We a sting, we a sting, we a shock, we a shock. I tell you we no deal with, not a dead stock. Well, let's see the man, hold tight, see, and so we push the vibes. Whenever the king champion, so every time the sound like that is coffee the ass, man. Hold tight, Peter Metro, man. Junglist. The sickle, the juice that massive, the firehouse crew, hold tight, Welton. Well, hold tight, one a penny. Roddy Irie, hold tight, Nelson. And the crew from Alpha Tree. Hey, one with the bang, who with the bang sking. I with the bang, who with the bang sking. One, tell it to them, shine, tell it to them. Tell it to them, because we don't beg for livestock, a livestock, dead stock, a dead stock. Livestock, a livestock, dead stock, a dead stock. Got till the poop a scorpion, a sting and a shark. So anywhere we play, say that's strictly roadblock. Along with Mr. Shiny, come for lance him attack. Cause Sassafrass speak, and watch how him fat. Cause look for Mr. Shine, how him sling and him a shock. Just sting, me a sting, me a sting, me a sting, me a shock, me a shock, me a shock. Just sting, me a sting, me a sting, me a sting, me a shock, me a shock, me a shock. Just sting, me a sting, me a sting, me a sting, me a shock, me a shock, me a shock. Well, I worries, man. So we push it, man. Way down low, man. Past zero. Hold tight, Nils, not the crew from Alpha Tree. I come for rule the felicity. How we gonna do it every time? Yeah. MC on the mic, daddy Shuka shine, one of a kind. Yeah. Push it, man. Bang with the lip bang, with the lip bang skin. Play by the king, balance to the great. But I don't imitate. Hey, don't catch your style, boy, catch your style. Don't catch your style, boy, catch your style. Don't catch your style, boy, catch your style. Fat thing, slim thing, a slim thing. Fat thing, slim thing, a slim thing. So any girl me marry say she have to get a ring, yes. Put on me crown, them have to crown I king. In any race, say the yes man have to win. Shoot me with a penny for the charge of the sin. Listen, Mr. Shiny coffee right for red. Well, I worries, man, every time seen. Yeah. The second echo mine at big brand of the place. Come in for them style of dope. Come in, echo. Yeah. Live of the place, man.
Well, I want a soldier, but second John and Volvo massive. Easy. Look at the Scorpio massive, Firehouse massive, Tuesday massive. Woman, no lazy body. Woman, no lazy body. Woman, no tired body. Woman, no lazy body. Got the girl and we have jobs, see. Well, the one that on the Scorpio label, so up a street. Second. No lazy body. Yeah. Woman, on a lazy body. 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 Got the girl and we asleep on me. Got the girl and we have dropsy. And the girl me love everywhere early. Round the table prepare breakfast to me. 12 o'clock me say lunch on the spot. 3 o'clock me say that for dinner. 7 o'clock me say that for supper. Woman, on a lazy body. Woman, on a tired body. Woman, on a lazy body. Got a dick.
Well, pull up scroll. I show the item. Free Johnny Black Scott scene. The other bar on the black label. The man just can't get 2 rounds. Singing those. The sickle and will not sing. Well, come in. Echo mine and state speed boy. Can't say we are push it.
Well, the fence style got showdown scene. Well, second Sassafrass General Tree. Shuka shine. By back. Well, my gone and I'm a big fat thing now. Millie. Whoa. Hey. and I'm a big thing, and I'm a big thing, and I'm a fat thing, and I'm a fat thing, and I'm a big thing, and I'm a big thing, and I'm a fat thing, and I'm a fat thing. Just the other night me went to a party, he brought me out a lady, they call her Millie. Hold me on me neck and hold me tightly, massage me chest and massage me belly. So, and I'm a fat thing, and I'm a fat thing, and I'm a fat thing, and I'm a big thing, and I'm a big thing, and I'm a big thing, and I'm a fat thing, and I'm a fat thing, and I'm a big thing, and I'm a big thing, and I'm a fat thing, and I'm a fat thing. Massage me chest and massage me belly. Look like that she bust kiss for me. Say, come on and come caress me. Say, come on and you know do the style. And I'm a big thing, and I'm a big thing, and I'm a fat thing, and I'm a big thing, oh yeah, yeah, and I'm a big thing, and I'm a big thing, and I'm a big thing. Touch on. Put one more key, put one more key, put one more key for me. Put one more key, put one more key, put one more key for me. Put one more key, put one more key, and then it makes me. Put one more key, put one more key, and then it makes me. Teachers copy out, teacher me styling. One is copy out, one them styling. Hey, touch up the key like a touch entity. Touch up the key like a touch entity. Touch up the key like a touch entity. Tell them copy out, we not no styling. I tell them copy out, we not no styling. Hey, don't lock me out, mama. Scorpio in the boat, yeah. Don't lock me out, mama. Scorpio in the boat, yeah. So, bubble for me, come. Bubble for me. Slasa, let go.
What's all these dreadlocks? Play boy pound sound Gamma King. Sound of the Black Scorpio on your vine. Oh, you just squeeze a man Ryan, just like David. Don't take us to a little boy can't go Lion. Can I have featured the youth card or 16 no dreadlocks them style originated by an eye? The thing called the Batman and Robin man. Written by an eye. Yeah. Dreadlocks. You know I write them style from 1978 man. You know what the first one? You know the first one man? Dreadlocks say no national cat. You know style again man. You know I write them style from 1978 man. Earl 16. You'd come again. Different fashion. Do it again. Ha ha. Different fashion. Are you mean? You know my style again.
All day long, preventing crime in the city government. All criminals on the street, they never like to hear you when the Batman speaks. Batman and Robin, Batman and Robin, Batman and Robin got a lot of work tonight. Cause Batman gets a call from the commissioner. They say that the joke is gonna rob the town. And Batman starts to laugh and say that's a joke. But Robin sees the Batman, holy smoke. Batman and Robin, Batman and Robin. They say Batman and Robin.
Oh, he's the Gagan man. Your old man.
So still the Batman. Batman and Robin. Batman and Robin. Batman and Robin.
Earl Cruz on 16 man.
Even the penguin and the Joker, they would like to rob the tower, but all the cars were rented by the dynamic duo. Batman and Robin, like Batman and Robin, Batman and Robin, you got some work to do tonight. The Batman and Robin, they got work to do tonight.
Hey, by the King Black Scorpio, could have a crap on the partial. Where's the Metro?
The Batman.
All junglers. All Scorpio crew. Black Star Massive. What a hook in though.
All criminals on the street. They never like to see when the Batman speaks. Batman and Robin. Batman and Robin. Batman and Robin. Got to stop it.
That's the whole title of Massive. And also ready with intelligence.
A lot of work to do tonight. The Batman.
Last of the flash, right there, Mr. Man. Teacher is big.
Batman and Robin, the Batman and Robin, Batman and Robin, Skank with started tonight,
You like culturally.
You got a lot of work to do tonight.
World titled master to the frost. I also ride with intelligent. Different fashion dreadlocks. When you play by social black scorpion, you cream of crap. What title of this corner scene? Banana-ding, banana-dang-ding, banana-ding, banana-dang-ding, banana-ding, banana-dang-ding, banana-ding, banana-dang-ding. This are the piece of fury. Lord God, this are the piece of fury. Lord God, me coming from a dance out of some city. Some boy took me down bout they want rob me. One of a 16, one of a special. Me fit me with a lot, me never have me night for me. Me fit me never waste, me never have me special. But me remember Bruce Lee, not the piece of fury. Me started to outlaw them immediately. Just kicking at the face belly and them. But take it down now. It's bigger than a stage show, man. Everybody's paying night this man scene. Old time teacher, you know, tree. Sassafrass headmaster culturally. Shuka shiny prophet brother. Bamba down by them, what I TC. Bamba down by them. Banana ding, banana dang day, banana ding, banana dang day, banana ding, the princess, banana dang day. Cream of the cup, come get your cream of the cup, no look back. Cream of the cup is at the cream of the cup, no look back. Cream of the cup is at the cream of the cup. Me no tall, me no white, me no brown, me black. No tan, no white, no brown, no black. It's something to you, just now back and I bread it from my back. Take it down low. Worries, man. Yellowman, man, big every time. Yeah. Welcome in, Yellowman. You're the first big DJ if I give me a mic.
Cool, no cheese. I'll dedicate this one to the man called Sassafrass. Come on. Boy, Sassa, you're big and swell. I'll dedicate this one to the man called Peter Metro. Along the man called Tonto Irie. Back, pour yourself. Amin, Link, Chop. Pour yourself. I jam me fear. Rasta no Selassie, I jam me fear. Rasta no Selassie, I jam me fear. Set a kiss out me ras, but you I don't care. Because of you me people them a suffer and hear. But you them easy tough man. Pour yourself. Pour yourself. Are them lyrics are Reagan writes here about Yellowman. But you see me, I don't care. I know they're going to sue me, you know, I know. But I don't care. I talking the truth. Lord. Well, you know, Jen. I jam me fear. Rasta no Selassie, I jam me fear. Set and kiss out me rasp, you I don't care. Because of you, me people, them a suffer and hear. But you, them choices, but them tear. A children in Africa can even pick up here. The white South African cock up in a chair. I eat with food and I drink see them beer. Oppression we go through, you can't compare. Government of Jamaica act like they care. But see black people, they come in dress.
Hey, Yellowman, no respect every time. Hey. Bama-dim, badam-badim. Yellowman, man, you're too big, man. Come in again.
Well, right now, no that should style and going on a different style. Hear it now. Hear it now. Galang 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 galang. Come to teach you truth and right now come to teach you wrong. So me as a MC me no cut. I better curse to the man called Peter Metro along with the man called Birdman. General Cheese, the man called Sassa. Sassa, me and you in this man.
Dance done. tell them that.
Yes.
Everybody go.
Hold it.
Watch it.
Tasha.
Alright, yellow.
The people. A misunderstanding. See? Not the officer's fault. Right? Not the officer's fault. Welton, hold tight.
Lift up, screw, lift up. Boy, Yellowman, oh, you come back so quick. I don't have cross so square man catch Yellowman in a bus. Yellow, you can't run it.
No one can beat Jamaican in athletics, man. Jimmy.
Check, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Watch your man, I shouldn't stop me saying.
No one says.
1 ENT.
Jungle's passy, you fi come up in a this. Jungle's passy, you fi come up in a this. Tap your passy, you fi come in a this. But tell the yellow man I make you run come quick. As I yellow man I go fi busy. When me say go the yellow man I me say go in a it. Because you full up a sight and then you full of lyrics. I'm a me at them in a culture and a in a something miss. We know yellow man you full up a stick. I'm gonna tell you yellow man extra classic. But they tell you yellow man go in a it. Go the yellow man and me say go in a it. Because you full up a style and then you full of lyrics. I'm a me chat them in a culture and in a slapping this. Any boy me no like me we pull up the wrist and make the run go at that I see psychiatrist. But I tell you yellow man I say you how we say Welton?
No, check a Yellowman last time you can't run it. No, no man a touch me, do me a shock. You hear some DJ say them a shock, me a shock, so no touch me, say. No request to analyze and listen people of the area. Oh, no man a touch me, man. Sure, no man a touch me, a shock, man. No request to Sassafrass, General Junior the area, Bruck, Shuka Shine, Meekie. Ever from England, second, Back, large. Well, chalali, chalala, me ya entertainer. Chalala, me ya entertainer. You know me respect the DJ Lone Ranger. Me live a jam down and him live America. Me kill 2 roach and 1 mosquito. And then me take that and me go show me father. You know me father, take it and go show me mother. My mother, she take it and go show me sister. My sister, she take it and go show me brother. And then the whole family them get together and say you know what you are a jam murderer. But Jamaica can't run without a prime minister. No bank can run without a manager. And a sound can't run without a damn owner. The sound can't play without a operator. No dance can't nice without a entertainer. No dance can't keep without a promoter. But the promoter will vex if a pure loafer. White squaller kill screw, me just member. Our boss melts a screw like a cheesy booger. Say bring a curry coat quick promoter. Because a pure white market name John Connor. And him a defeater so bring a liquor. You know all rounder me a all rounder. Yes sir, all rounder me a all rounder. Put a bat to a ball, I am a cricketer. Put my foot to a ball, I am a footballer. If you fling me in the sea, I am a swimmer. If you lift up liquor weights, I am a weightlifter. Thump a man in the ring, I am a boxer. Fling a man out of the ring, I am a wrestler. Put me in a full green, I am a soldier. Put me in a full blue, I am a police officer. If you put me on a stage, I am a actor. Put me on a site, I am a contractor. Put me on a bus step, I am a I beg man them easy, follow through, follow. Respect you every time, sin. Dreadlocks. Take it over, let's go. The code businessman. Shocking businessman. Culturally, company mixer man. Oh, Dreadlocks. I know you ask man. I know you can't do ride the bicycle businessman. I strictly ask me to do it, not touch me man. Show home, baby bum, Lord, show home, Lord of mercy. You understand? Show home, baby bum. Watch me. Don't me get an invitation from the general tree. No we go come up lit against the one we live to see. The one super get them look to dilly dally. Mess up the one early be your one wheelie. Them have to think twice when them see this Jackie. When me live down for me ask me say no boy no taste me. In at the start and get me horses led. The color when me love was strictly gold and red. The whipping on me and the helmet for me head. And me live down for the rhythm call me in the water bed. Take it down. 4 leg gallop this a gallop 4 leg. 4 leg gallop this a gallop 4 leg. Take it all on. dreadlocks. I test some selection. Eh, Ruby Bang. La, show. I wanna shock me now. Shocking. Yeah man. Yeah man. Show. Ruby Bang. Balang, Ruby Bang, skate down. Oh, back. Mix it up, catch me in. Them calling. Hope your man come get the Obian man. Hope your man come get the Obian man. The mic in the beyond is like a magic wand. We don't stand two psalms and sing this a psalm. Akracadabra, them. Akracadabra, them. In a hippopotamus, a going ton Yellowman. Make you walk and grab them, say out of the pan. Not to mention the one Burro Benton. Not to mention the one Pumpasan. Listen, Sassafrass of the Obian man. It's me. Phenomenon 4, Phenomenon 3, Phenomenon 2, 1, 1. Check Sassafrass when I want to beat up iron. I love fire, I love catch me, Mr. I to make your tan. Run away your wife, run away your husband. Obian man, come get the Obian man. Obian man, come get the Obian man. The mic in the beyond is like a magic wand. They don't chant to sound and sing this a song. Akracadabra, them. Hey, Akracadabra, them. In a hippopotamus, a going to Yellowman. Make him walk and jump down to the pan. Not to mention Tutu Bantan. Hey, not to mention Papa Tay. Come get me. Obian man, come get the Obian man. Hey, Obian man, come get the Obian man. Obian man, come get the Obian man. Obian man, come get the Obian man. Phenomenon 1, Phenomenon 2, Phenomenon 3. We say hook up, Mr. Close up, Mr. CCB. They dance it up and run, Mr. The car empty. Sassafrass control, Mr. All of the dopey. Whether Jackilla arm, the one Barney. Listen up the yak for this I can said in him. Oh, Gaman, come to you, Gaman.
Hold on, ya. Hear it. Hold on, ya. I'll dedicate this one to the man called Birdman along with the man called Peter Mitchell, Tonto, Irie. Pour yourself, kid. Hear me now, Jet. Go long. Come to teach you to the right, no come to teach you wrong. You know me as a MC, me no come to sing no song. David single like me say something was strong. Him did fool no ras, he must stick by a woman. No me age at 22, me age no 21. Me keep me thanks and praise to Jah the only one. And to Jah protection, me no work with no weapon. But if I ever approach by a dirty Babylon, and me do me chant Psalms 2, 3 and 21. That is scare the shit out of police and hooligan. No me want me trust my wife, me not trust another woman. So woman love to tell my liars such. Hold on, crowd of people. I do want no ball forward. I want to listen out these lyrics that keenly, you know. See, don't ball forward at all. Listen it. I mean, hold on, ya. Me know sound of love that lyrics, ya. But hold on, ya. It name. Galang. Come fit teach you truth and right, no come fit teach you wrong. No me as a MC, me no come fit sing no song. David sing go lie at me say something was strong. Him the fool no ras, him was tricked by a woman. No me give me thanks and praise, to Jah the only one. And you to Jah protection, me no work with no weapon. But if I ever approach by a dirty Babylon, and me do me chant Psalms 2 and 21. That is scare the shit out of police and hooligan. No me won't trust my wife, me not trust another woman. So woman love to tell my lion, some just love to can. Let's say, I love that time and grind 6 another man. So fly, go watch your man, me go make enough grand. Out of nothing if they call prostitution. So dead till it whole cock stand. Don't remove them out till it chocolation. But still a grand change up me conversation. Biggest set to man is the nuclear bomb. And who rule Russia, America and England. If me have the chance, we kill them one by one. The tweets Reagan coach mother plant a atom bomb. Blow him 2 seeds from your to Taiwan. That shoot Maggie Tissy nipple with a M1. A full of coaches who will pull it a radiation. Pan top abuse with a bomb action. I throw the whole of them in our whole dustpan. I tell the truck driver, galang. Lickshot and tear down the rat bat neighborhood.
Last year I know, Rastafari I know. We're all tight king. How when a man is good, a man is good. 3, all tight scene. Hey, would call a crucial sign in. We think call a Billie Jean. All time donkey. I dedicate them style to all the three family. All time my godfather. Yeah. Lord of mercy. Hey, you can't shine in selection, relax. Hold them style.
She was more like a beauty queen with an M16. I said it don't mind, but when do you mean I am the
big request to the man called Squiddly. Welton, who are your space?
All right, selection. Take it down low. Way down low. Down low.
I'll dedicate this one to the man called Amin who sit down from 5 chair, you know?
Yeah. All side king. I dedicate to when I teach the Lord Sassafrass, the General Tree, all tight easy. I know this, I think the BLACKSTAR posse, no respect you. The thing called ability.
She was more like a beauty queen with an M16. I said it don't mind, but when do you mean I am the one who would dance on the floor in around it? She said I am the one who would dance on the floor.
Yeah. Oh, I select a fling them style of woman easy, man. Yeah. I dedicate them style of dreadlocks to all peaceful Rasta man. Sing. Balling, ballang, balling, ballang, balling, ballang, balling, ballang, balling, ballang. What is them style? Let's get them style of dreadlocks. Lord, we are the humblest, the humblest, the humblest youth, man. The humblest, the humblest, the humblest youth, man. We no walk on road dressed like bad man. No trouble old people, we no mell with mad man. You know say that the Meekie is a blessed one. We are the humblest youth, the humblest youth, the humblest youth, man. The humblest youth, the humblest youth, the humblest youth, man. Me no swing pan no waist, me is not Tarzan. No crawl pan no one, nobody call me Spider-Man. Come listen this a youth as a true Rasta man. Me born from me mother with a mic in me hand. Say blessed day unto the older one. Come and catch a daddy Meekie, the young phenomenon. The humblest youth, the humblest youth, the humblest youth, man. The humblest youth, the humblest youth, the humblest youth, man. No walk one road, trouble no man one. No trouble old people, me no trouble mad man. You know say daddy Meekie are the blessed one. Me spawn with three, spar with me. Me spawn with Sassa, spar with me. Me come in at the dance, me come for ram your party. Me chant in the mic well intelligently. You ask me where them call me a daddy Meekie. Phenomenon we is and phenomenon we be. We also coming from the ass family. But blessed be unto his majesty. Yeah, blessed be unto generality. Say give thanks and praise unto everybody. All side Papa's true, man. And that's them style of woman is a young Rasta man. Yeah. I dedicate them style to all Gemini crew. All side. And I think behind them. Look at Carl, Okushal, Michael Palmer. All them style. All them style.
Patsy, are you ready?
Oh, BLACKSTAR, catch them style. Oh, BLACKSTAR, listen them style. Hey, kids down low. Down low. Way down low. Oh, Papa's cool, man.
Patsy, are you ready?
A man like you ready every time, man.
Patsy, are you ready?
Oh, yes, about that, my godfather.
The last thing I know, my daddy. See, that's what they are.
You want to stand, find it too. All in a row. You want the water, you have to hold him.
Meekie. I dedicate to the jack call on the jacks. Hold tight, jack. No respect. Everywhere go ask man after the face.
Found my line. Every passy found my line. Every passy found my line.
Enough respect, Metro Mida. Enough respect, Metro Peter. Enough respect. Hold tight.
Banana line. She a when she waist. Found my line.
I dedicate dedicate to Natty Blues. Yeah.
Every pussy for my life.
I know you come with some Chris 86 style dreadlocks.
They come in at the dance with them ignorance. Them come in at the dance and they fight over me. Them a fight
over me. Outside on a penny pasty.
Over me. Them a fight over me. Them a fight over me. Go on, for 16. You bring the magazine. 16. You bring the magazine. You come in at the dance with your girl Kingston. You look for Kingston and her boot feeling. About feeling. She come in at the dance with a man 16 and 16 in a one old gabardine.
Well, dreadlocks, I want to hear them listen them style here. How that they make you go bless the dance, man? I don't come here to cuss no one, Enough respect, Yellowman. Yeah. Oh my God, Father. If he's here, you wanna put things in order?
Yes, my daddy. Last year I know you. Oh, you bless the dance to them, my daddy.
The preaching of the gospel will soon be over. Walk right in and hear our culture. The preaching of the gospel will soon be over. Step right in and hear our culture. That Satan and cha. Hallelujah. Satan and cha. Praise Jah. Satan and cha. Him was one of Jah chosen one, but you him disobey. Jah run him away. The gospel preach it tonight. You better preach it today. You can't too young youth fi go down and pray. You never too old Lord fi really go astray. So Satan and cha. Hallelujah. Satan and cha. Praise Jah. Satan and cha. The boy Satan, him don't understand. The boy Satan, him want to know after plan. Want to fi show him how him blow breath in a man. But these few words that I live to Satan. Get behind me, Satan. Slam bam. Cause Satan and cha. Hallelujah. Satan and cha. Praise Jah. Satan and cha. Say up on a rock him want to tempt Jah wanna. Want to fi bow down. Yes, fi get a kingdom. But we don't know this world. It belongs to Jah wanna. Me love long life, not destruction. Me checks for Jah and me eat Satan. Me no want, me no time, me no eat, me no drink, me no sit with the Eden wanna. Jah love is the Rasta man because Satan and Jah. Take it. I want dreadlocks and I don't respect Jah. Oh, come down, my teacher.
Pain man. Oh, dreadlocks. Just them style and all dreadlocks. I would dash some New York style. Peter Metro, all time. Now we live in New York City is the big apple. Computer down a jam down is just a sample. Don't be by every sauce and me love to gamble. Me tell you two things that is well terrible. Like Jesus Christ I was born in a horse stable. Cool. Check out the bass make we hear the treble. Me no kiss pan lips, me no go pan nipple. Me mouth no go below not a gal neighbor. We don't have band that 2 foot table. Nah, we don't have band that 2 foot. Dig it up. Dreadlocks. Sneak. And I sneak it down easy. Dreadlocks have some man I eat man now, That mirror go on down the Westmoreland business. So what dreadlocks? Shoo, Rebbe bang, lad, shoo, balang. Hey, I come fi tell you the truth, me not tell you no lie. Cost of living is getting high. $10 go a grocery one item it buy. So a boy get serious and kidnap a guy and just cut off him foot and make it on French fry. Put the other piece in the pick it up. Can't too touch them no cause pay piracy business a go and I can't too let them go. Can't too let them go dreadlocks. That name the curry human man. Can't too touch it again. Watch me. Come catch it. Go dancing, come catch the go dancing. In the bubbling. Go dancing, come catch the go dancing. What's the whining? Go dancing, come catch the go dancing. Say every weekend, every youth man have the trash. Them gone in a corner and a jokes and a watch. Hey, in on them pockets and them have no cash. Them favorite go dancer know them start to wash. Which one of them a sting? Which one of them a shot? That the one is kinda slim, but that the one is kinda fat. That the one she kinda brown and that the one that kinda black. That the one them on the leg that then he want knock it them. Go dancing, come catch you, go dancing to the bubbling. Go dancing, come catch me, go dancing. Go dancing, come catch me, go dancing. Be bubbling. Go dancing, come catch me. Show you why some girl can't show them panty. Show you why some girl can't show them panty. When them lift up them from the body bumpy. Take off the body titty reach up the knee. Them face look good, the body don't ready. But Sassafrass in up the dancing come they can't steady. Girls, wall up your one if you no suck boy body. Wall up your one if you no suck boy tinny. Hey, wall up your one if you don't free base. Wall up your one if you no sit down in your face. Out of space, Mr. Wig and out of space. They ask me this. Look it up. Remember Wednesday night dreadlocks? Russell Road, dreadlocks. It sound like a black scar. But do remember the man can't tap in. Tapper from Radication. Munch the promoter. Present who's the champion of the place called Gemini Club. Right on here. That'll be 26th of April. We're going to do the song called Gemini. Along with the song called the Black Scope. And this Wednesday night, dreadlocks. Youthman Promotion Russell Road scene. Are you coming youth car Michael Palmer? Can I write them style of man? My region, I say this worries again. Worries again. Youth car Michael. Oh no. Oh no. Baby girl, the show don't do that. Oh no. But I'm a victim. Dreadlocks, remember this coming Wednesday night. I already right on ya. You know team by my son can. The jam is right in a Jamaica Club. Oh, Dreadlocks, you come part 2, 3. Dedicate to you, you know, lady. With the best of your lazy, I was in ya. Oh, Dreadlocks, get them style ya. Sufferer, wanna catch them style ya. This is not politics, this is reality. I tell you a few things about we fucking country. I'm talking to the Prime Minister, them call Eddie. The opposition leader, what them call manly. The youth them in the ghetto, them a die for hungry. And we want some money. We be people, so we want some money. You know why? We have a hustleability, hustleability. NTZ, hustleability. So what between jungle and T-Bali? All with them when we eat a chicken chassis. The saltfish, hockey was the national dish. But now separation, the pan black. New brand dish, at the curry chicken bucket name. Hustleability. Get easy. Dreadlocks. You know you got touch down to man called Cocotti. So you want a general tree. What touch down after this just come in a car, we'll bring BLACKSTAR. What is on the Black Scope going fine? I want to get them style of Dreadlocks. Ruby bang, balang, hey, ruby bang, skate, ruby bang. Come and cheers. In name, she will be it. Don't butter it. She will be it. Don't butter it. She will be it. Don't butter it.
Me gonna pump it, me gonna love some pump it, yeah.
Yeah, man, I saw the dreadlocks. All dreadlocks. Get them style, man. So the oh, nice and easy. Ruby bang. Balang.
Yes, hello, star. New speed rap, come get your new speed rap. New speed rap, come get your new speed rap. Hey, new speed rap, come get your new speed rap.
I will raise again.
What the hell you feel?
Up your own probably ill.
With my eyes of the ill.
It's worries again.
Tell your friends.
It's be a problem.
We pass them.
Say 515. We bound and break.
Why do that?
Man, so the dreadlocks warm and easy. Dreadlocks are so really tight. They don't want to be no policy. Gotta be jammy. Come in.
Pull up. What dreadlocks, not gonna sneak video style, say. Well, hold tight. Pull up. Now dedicate them style there to man like Bud Spencer, man like Ling, man like Mr. Morgan Singh, Man like Jimmy Tapper, all tight to me, you know. I want to see where they and Sassa go a country, you know. Box some youth, you know, Sassa no smoke weed, but me some man. I love my sense of singing. So, box some little youth with a nice jar, and them a say warm trees. Nah, no Rizzler. I said, no, I'm not a Rizzler, but I take 2 jar for the split. In Virgin, so I can use brown paper. I said, no, I'm not use brown paper, man. He said, I can smoke it natural. I said, no, they are too little. I can't smoke natural. So it's when the Virgin gone by a Rizzler now, you know, show him say, hold tight, Nero. I want you to listen to this piece, man. Pain. You ever show the youth now, man? Babalo, balabalo. Really babalo, balabalo. Hey, hold tight, Chevy. Take me to see you. You ever show the youth? What I say? Give me your whistle and no one no brown paper. Too little jars smoking that all over. Take it over. When you go on the stick video style, hold tight, hold on. Hold tight, Peter Metro, Yellowman is safe. Now go on the stick video style, we soon come a road. General Trey come in, I want to hear them style, man, live. That's hold tight, I chill, we are chill. Tonto Irie, all BLACKSTAR massive, no suspect, sing. Man like Sassafrass. Hey, here's style now. Hey, come on. All they call the youth, echo the youth, man, hear me back to more answer. Take a the pain about me can't linger. Take a the pain about me can't linger. So, she would, this a cheese and a pro. She would, pain, man. Let me not show you. All tight dreadlocks, all tight. I come dreadlocks to Partridge style. Well, I never give them a style with so release for the Scorpio label. Saying, request, man. The one gonna pay the massive, solid massive. What's the love star? Hey. Well, call me Ghostbuster, well, call me Ghostbuster. Every time they say the young, they say the danger wawa. Ghost Rider, they call me Ghost Rider. Every time they say the young, they say the danger. Ghost Rider, Wizard Rider, you know we well wiser. I make a bad rider, don't go see you what the drive. So to feel in the day, you just see them back way like glider. The car from man for the bank inside. Woman and a man, them a go run and lie. Snake preview. All tight dreadlocks, softly. Babylon, what I teach? Man like Last of Us, man like Mooney. Daddy Meekie, Lady G. All tight. Hey. All tight, Barry Mac. And all peace officer, customer fling it now. Nice and easy. Hey. Lord, balong, all bike rider. You ain't there now. Now it's my eyes with my fun, now it's my project track up out and this, but nothing but this sandwich and you give me rainbow. Hey, now it's my eyes with my fun, now it's my royal track up out and nothing but this sandwich and you give me rainbow. One now send me down, now send me that a bike family. One now send me down, now send me that a bike family. The lady for the fussy that a mic is a macan. One now say someone in the youth called Ton. Don't a one from where you find Carlton. If it's this says okay and them fix the fade. Now we fix it for the ball lead and the natty trade. 20 bikes spread out to go a south track. 20 bike, 20 rider, 20 pillion at the back. And every pillion them have a knapsack on the back. Them have them up them solution and patch. If a bike give up on so now then no time to stop. And the rim them tube them tires standing down front. And them back rims spread out like a black semi shop. Take what if every station every rider they clap. Police pull back in the station, think a bike man attack. Economic no volcano, set no page up. Every rider like a jacket on the yard where flat. With them eyes take up and dig. Dreadlocks, come in, come in, not.
Yes, I. Well, this one is our latest release. Well, after this one, we're going to tune in BLACKSTAR. See, let's check one up in the massive, Junglist massive, Firehouse massive, Doodland massive, Gemini massive. Well, this is Lady J, Danny, Sasa, John. Why? Me have a tiny girl and they call her Tingling. Me teach her to DJ, teach her to sing. Me make she wear me gold chain, drop me gold ring. She buy a big mansion, style go ting, 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 ting,
ticky ting. Why? Oh me a ting-ling, lad, they go offering. Oh me a ting-ling, lad, they go offering. We visit Hong Kong and we visit Japan. She introduced me to our uncle, Mr. Wang. She introduced me to our auntie, May Chang. She introduced me to our grandfather, Lolang. We say, Echo Mine, sing a song, ticky 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 ting, ticky 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 ting, ticky 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 ting, ticky ticky ting. Why? Come in, Lady T.
We'll take it down low, Mr. Selector. Lord have mercy, Lord. Take it down low, Mr. Selector. Take it down low. Enough nights is me, I show you. Where BLACKSTAR you soon come in, see? We'll take a Sassafrass and take a General Tree. When it comes to DJ business, we don't ramp in a DJ camp, me, I show you. Wait till I stop your crew. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Rebebe bang skang style. Rebebe bang skang. Me no rumble ladder. Inna the DJ camp, me no rumble ladder. Inna the DJ camp, me no rumble ladder. Inna the DJ camp. 'Cause inna 84 me did a go hold on. To give another DJ woman a chance, but the vibes of me have me can't hold it no longer. 'Cause inna 85 me no come for ram. 'Cause you listen them lyrics and them must understand. So what no youth man can't understand. Them must say well they did get so much lyrics from, but inna me use me do me meditation. And from the Father me get the inspiration. To come a dance on me say as a woman, but what me come for do nice up Jamaican. Me no ram bladder. Inna the DJ camp me no ram bladder. Inna the DJ camp car champion is me my champion lad. Champion is me my champion. Why you listen to the thing you take up on the version? 'Cause you know what the thing get it by champion. Why you pull me selector? Why you pull it up fast? This only the district coffee nice up Chilana. Pull on this and let them Capricorn. No one let the district coffee nice up Chilana. Me no rum bladder. Inna the DJ camp me no rum bladder. Inna the DJ camp me come me talking dolly they come me talking dolly you hear me talking dolly they come me talking dolly. 'Cause inna fi me house me no watch no telling me that. Here come me put land inna me city. You know that I pay lyrics me a study. And inna fi me head from the lyric factory. You know what the DJ have the ability me have the ability me have the technology. Can I so dance all I don't go to party. You know what the DJ have the lyrics from me and me no rum bladder. Inna the DJ camp me no rum bladder. Inna the DJ camp 'cause inna 84 me did a go hold on. To give another DJ woman a chance, but the vibes of me up me can't hold it no longer. 'Cause inna 85 me no come for ram. 'Cause you listen to my lyrics and you must understand. Take it along, my selector. Welcome in Black Selector. Welcome in BLACKSTAR.
Lickers and apple you call crucial cocotte from the Rocky Point region. And a big up to all the BLACKSTAR crew out here. Brand new cocotte and play. Old type Michael Farmer. Well, second is this, kill one massive Milo. Yeah. No respect, Winston and Perry. Old type Scorpio crew.
Some talking this and some talking that. I know some reggae music but to pull up man that's on the talk.
Play by the man, sounds called the BLACKSTAR International.
Some talking this and some talking that. That I know said them don't know where it's at. Along with cockatoo and the man called just that. I know say I come to rule up the spot. The marshal, in that desire land, we are the marshal. Well, we are the marshal. In the desire land, we are the marshal. Alright. Some drinking stout and some drinking beer. And a pipe.
What's your wrong?
Out in the papers and out in the square. People
every time. A brand new selection, the thing called the Marshall. When it comes to combination, you wanna play for me, you play with some called BLACKSTAR International. Big request to man called Professor. Start every time here. Play some called dancer, you can drop a clock in non-stop. I just lyrics, it name. Turn them back way, I'm gonna turn them back. Turn them back way, I'm gonna turn them back. No sound come, but them have to turn back. No sound come, but them have to turn back. The leaves did not come, but them have to turn back. They be Gemini come, but we lick it down flat. Scorpio a come, we take his thing out of that. But it's a back to me, I'm not the crack. Anytime we chat, you know the dance. Feel me glass footy, I'm a diamond crack. Every duty lens, I'm a can't take the match. Feel me can gully up on me head top. Get my notes and get on him and collect the cash. Smoke it down up on the mixer while you mix down that. The youth up on the mic, me name that the block back. Say anytime me chat the road slide up the black. Anytime me chat the dance I'll get flat. Tell you Mr. Baka I am a hard not to crack. Anytime me chat you know the dance up the black. It name turn them back we are gonna turn them back.
Constable Wilson, come on the car. Constable Wilson, come on the car.
Scene, youth,
Buck club, success ladder you go up. Buck club, success ladder you go up. Put your shoulder to the wheel so you eat your meal. Yeah, buck club, success ladder you go up. Say don't be lazy like David Plummer. Well every day him only want to sleep in a mug. You listen Mr. Tiger say, get up, go up. Put your shoulder to the wheel so you eat your meal. Say thou shall not drop and thou shall not steal. Yes, these are the truths like a prophet reveal. You get on this, you want your pan, you can't get real. When you buck club, success ladder you go up. Buck club, success ladder you go up. Entertainment to me, say me want you buckle up. Cause this is like I come from mash it up, get me.
Words again.
Where's the Bruck back?
what's your luck to bring in the old car down the Croatia jet? Come in down the jet, man. And I'll still play the old car cup of tea selection. Take it long slow, cause it's bigger than stage show every time. Bam, bam, bam.
And me say what the
in our Gemini Club.
And me say what the they do a song.
Warren's black people, see.
Me did a youth no from Westmoreland, originate from down at Clarendon. And me say what the oh yeah. Should have trouble this man? Without you gonna bring a bomb. Remember property and comfort, nice obsession. The words from
come in principal, are you in a man? Come in principal, sin.
Second on the jet. Kind of stand age and all the time we come with chatting non-stop. When we come to this study, it's called the Campo Black. Cause when we come ride non-stop. Tell us, stop. Tell me some back a livestock and every person know that. Tiger a livestock and every person know that. Danny Jed a livestock and every person know that. Smokey Dan a livestock and every person know that. BLACKSTAR a livestock and every person know that. Some a sing and some a shock, but crowd of people guess what? I grow me and then they plug. Me not stop, go until me reach pan top. When me reach pan top, and my lyrics know that. No pirate come and me, them really want stop. Cause anyway, them go up in me lyrics, them a chat. Like the history and the Bible and the geography. They got your man side about the ghost plenty. And the money you run and the cream and the crap. Them say that Mr. Baka, they must sting like what? You know that Mr. Baka, you my hard not fi crack. You listen that the stars say you're bound of fi rock. Smoking on a livestock and every person know that. Tiger a livestock and every person know that. Tonto a livestock and every person know that. Tonto a livestock and every person know that. Nobody come a dance if you know you can't rock. Nobody come a dance and come sit down from back. The people that go call you a damn dead stock. You come in like a joker in a the yard park. Mr. Baka livestock and every person know that. Danny Jed a livestock and every person know that. My bomb pick on chatter that a dancehall back. The anytime they chat you know they dance up the black. Me favorite Jackie while with belly rat. The anytime he win me I fake collect enough cash. Me come a dance all and me chat the road back. Mr. Baka livestock and every person know that. I tell you Mr. Baka come fi chat the road back. You happy and you love it, ball, boom, shaka attack. Say mix me Smokey and now why you mix me down. Black star alive, shaka never pass it, know that. I tell you that the jet that the baba like that. Nobody come a dance and come sit down from back. Nobody come a dance if you know you can't rock. Nobody it one dance if you don't have no cash. The people in the dance I go call you dead stock. You coming like a joker in the card pack. Broke back a life stock and the paper say no that. I tell you Mr. Tiger in my band life stock. Some a sing and some a shop for crowd of people guess what? I grow me and the diploma. Me not stop go until me reach pan top. When me reach pan top and my lyrics do that. No pirate come on me them really want stop. Cause everywhere them go up with my lyrics them a chat. Like the history and the Bible and the geography. They got your man style but they got fancy. Come in down the jet because you well Irie.
Well, dreadlocks. First thing I must greet there in the name of Jesus Christ was more revealed himself unto and I. In the personality of him, Prince last side of first draw. Every time seen. Now big request you can't turn try man second. So we do it. Every time. Now that shit smoke it through. Cause you're worried in the man. Yes, I'm gonna get into the town to the guests last time now. When I sing I wanna shock with us and push down some vibes. Go!
I just called her
Come in Tonto last time now. I started just starting.
Seen it overload.
Bulu bye bye bye, bulu bye bye bye.
Just call her to Jaja and he will help me out.
I dedicated to the mind selector, the man can't smoke it to the best vibe special weekend. Yeah.
Praising Jaja every day. Wait, I just keep on praising Jaja.
I'm BLACKSTAR and clear. Lick the bottle I want. See it?
Sometimes I'm lonely, and I don't know what to do. I just say one prayer to Jaja, and I feel so.
What tight listen?
I love you,
what tight red man?
every day. Love you, Jaja, and everywhere.
Stand by pro. Can you show me on the principal and steps last time and them feel nice, I man feel nice, scene. Don't I'm gonna dance some lyrics now, scene, cause start the dance just starting just after 12 man. Scene. Enough respect to our dancehall crew, cause without supporters in the dance we are nothing, scene. Yeah. Bulu bye bye bye, bulu bye 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 bye. Hey, yes, Smokey jump, I know you are the best. You don't discuss on and buy special weapons. Put a drink, let's soup on your eat and dumpling, no trouble, BLACKSTAR something. Bulu bye bye bye, you drink, let's soup on your eat and dumpling, no trouble, BLACKSTAR something. No, cause we no use our mouth and turn no shovel. Cause when we hold the mic, BLACKSTAR, take it down.
Come in, principal. No sickle. No sickle down. No pull it, me selector. Sin. Can't respect due to each and every one. No hold tight Norris. Sonia. And all the youth and youth. Sin. No Scorpio massive. Respect you every time. We come and play the part 2 style. No select by the man called Smokey down the bass for special request. Lord of his mercy. No hold tight lane. Hey. What that thing? We have wisdom, knowledge and understanding. God made man in his own image. Oh, gave unto us a man 5 senses. Seeing, hearing, smelling and tasting. Every human them happy and feeling. God made Eve and the devil make she sin. Adam come to man and man them do the same thing. Take the apple in the garden. Pull out dreadlocks.
Where is you?
One penny massive. One penny massive. Hold tight.
Where is you?
Sin. Can reality. Selassie I know. Rebebe bang. What a dang ding. What a da ding. What a da dang ding. What a da ding. What a da dang ding. Now it's a ring. In my ears it a ring, Lord. In my ears it a ring. Each and every day where your poor people crying. Cannot be the enders, cannot be the suckling. For the can't buy a plane ticket, me a deserting. Living in Jamaica is a wonderful thing. Like the pull-ups.
Sick man.
Out your locks up your lyrics. Don't come in down the check.
Well, Slaps, I know. You saw the principal feel nice. I saw him man feel crucial. Seen? Lord of mercy.
Bull bye 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 bye. Bull bye bye bye. Bull bye bye bye. Bull bye 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 bye. You drink less soup and you eat iron dumpling, no jumbo BLACKSTAR something. Bull bye bye bye. You drink less the soup and you eat the iron dumpling, no jumbo BLACKSTAR or something. Why?
Lord, I don't want Gemini with it. Lord, I don't want Gemini with it. Because seem the sounds of the whole day. I don't want them.
Last I know, because we burn them, 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 burn, 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 burn. Take it out, last I know, man. Woo! One Smokey show, you better than the rest. Last I know.
Easy than it, Jet. I know we are fool them every time. Go rough than them. I know Gemini, I miss the I know Virgo. I know Studio Mix, now the Black Scorpio. I know John Rowan and Volcano. I know Papa Lee's, now the sound name Arrow. Strictly BLACKSTAR, make you skank on your toe. Along with Mr. Buck, me have them all in a row. Rock them higher, them me rock them low. Rock them two and them a rock them throw. Chop under the sorry man, the kick this score. Down in the ghetto where me born and go. Give thanks and praise to me father below. Send me go to church and it's cool like so. Now me come a man and me a star on the show. I know Squiddly nor Peter Metro. I know Welton nor Johnny Ringo. I know Donovan nor the youth Django. Tell your Bruck back on the youth Tonto. One Danny Jet and the one Malvo. One Tiger and the one Smokey Joe. Rock them higher, they will rock them low. We have to hold them. Now the stars control them. But die. Cause see them is a see they don't play it and they play them. Rip and Bruck back him up to ride them. And Papa Tiger up to ride them. Tell them. Yellow, Mr. Yellow, minibus driver. Bus like foreign mind Rasta. And also the blue and white. Master them we run. Poppy style, hey. In a this, we are the chemists in on this, hey. In a this, we are chemists in on this, hey. In a this, we are chemists in on this. Tell them proper Tonto, chemists in on this, now. When we mix down, when we mix it with relish. Tell them Mr. Tiger, the captain on the ship. And when you ride, you take my ship. Time Mr. Tiger, with the music, hey. In a this, we are chemists in on this, hey. In a this, we are chemists in on this. What am I say, Tonto?
Oh, it's a still I say every time. We can go on like Parantona selection and I play. And I don't say big requests to the general in Miami. Sin, the best DJ in the world. Still I say I know that. Sin, we can go on play the man called Parantona selection and I play. Jesus Christ.
Yes, we come to kill a sound boy.
Oh, take it down, Mr. Selector.
Yes, we come to
take it down. Watch it up. Scorpio. No inflicting feelings. Hold tight trees. Sassafrass. Celestia, I know. Oh, Carlton. Hold tight you. I like Norris. Rodley Irie. Fatty Bull. One up in a massive large.
A big sound against a little sound, but not trouble. It's like a little axe that chopped on a big tree.
You're no dreadlocks.
We come to kill a sound boy tonight.
Hold tight Peter Metro. I like Skinner Rankin. I like Dickie Rankin. I like Tiger. I like Suzu. I like Bruck. Hold tight Nigel.
Yes, we come to throw them down. Yes, we come to kill a sound boy.
Oh, go along Metro. I like Dickie Rankin. I like Squiddly. Hold tight you.
Oh yeah, now.
Last time black people.
Kill a sound boy tonight.
Long live His mercy.
What time Andre? What time Mullins?
Back up your mix, back up your teeth. I tell you this a sound, said it sound much sweeter.
Man like Rip, man like Brooklyn, hold tight you.
Kill a sound boy tonight.
Oh, hold tight to come in and come and see you.
Yeah. Kill a sound boy tonight. Oh yeah, now. I have the mountain, the green of the grass. I have the
you can't fall onto the goose shop, y'all.
The wider the river, it's so difficult to cross.
Put it back.
Wider the river, it's so difficult to cross. From the killer sound boy tonight. Say what
we bounce on with your name, BLACKSTAR.
Killer sound boy.
tonight. Well, yeah, now.
We can play the part 2 style. And Jelax. I never send a request to mention like Earl B. I'll do no on you. Sin. With respect to every time. All tight trees, Sassafrass, and all entertainer. So last I know. All junglists. All malas. Steve right tights. Hold tight. 110. All arrow screw. Dans son temps, son way complete, dans son temps, son if you know that. Dans son temps, son way complete, dans son temps, son. Whether them black and me say whether them brown. Whether from a country ya Kingston stone. No sound come a man them a fit on back. Gemini ya come a man them a fit on back. Scorpio a come we take this thing out of that. Buck up on a Tonto man him hard like rock. Buck up on a tiger and the man broke back. Buck up on Smokey man him hard like rock. Brigadier Jerry is a hard nut to crack. Tell them to why me ya the boom shaka chak me call me. Boom shaka chak me ya the boom shaka chak you know. Boom shaka chak me ya the boom shaka chak. In a Jamaica we planting can't stop. I did from the soldier man way I did from the cop. Me a ball let them me say me no jet lock. Come a dancehall man me know you a fi rock. Brain just a chuckle like a italic jack. The time me escape from outer cell block. Only survival out a Kendall crash. This is Smokey dancer man you have to mix. That way ya the boom shaka tak way ya the boom shaka tak you know. Boom shaka tak way ya the boom shaka tak. Junglist passage man me know them a fi rock. Malas passage man me know them a fi rock. Firehouse passage man me know them a fi rock. Tell your Tonto wipe like a deep sea spot. Bubble we a bubble like a soup in a pot. Tell your Tonto wipe is a hot nut big rock. Rock up in me baby man in the tree top. When the wind up float man they crickle up in rock when ya de boom shaka tap when ya de boom shaka tap.
On the attack me say where they on the attack. On the attack because where they on the attack. No, on the attack because where they on the attack. If your man a bubble down, girl bubble up back. Your man a bubble up, yourself a bubble up back. I want you take time and you ring on me back. I want you take time and you ring off me cock. Operator when you hear it, fling it on the 4 track. You know say General Danny Lodge, I know you can't chat. You know say Danny Ballhead, but him no jet like you can't chat. Oh, because we proud about that you can't chat. Bim, because we proud about that you name. The sound and sound we come feed the sound and sound Lord. The sound and sound we come feed the sound and sound. You tell them General Danny come fi run this a town. Your skin it could have black on, your skin could have brown. This last time no Smokey Joe, you call Michael Prophet. The man a big in a man. Last
no coming Michael Prophet. Sing.
Well easy.
Pull it up. Can't respect
you. Easy man, me are the founder for this.
True man, long time you.
Request. A whole heap of request to all the fans. Saying strictly all and pull style. All and pull and make we fling it down. We are gonna rope this here one straight down to the ground. All and pull and make we fling it down. How are you working with your style like you watch you? Chalk up! Cause right now, man, you're a big superstar in the man. Second. All and pull and make we fling it down. We are gonna rope this here one straight down to the ground. All and pull and make we fling it down. How are you working with your style like you a true bubble gum? The selector harder, I give my selector record. And when him start to play, you hear the people then jump and say, all and pull and make we fling it down. We are gonna rope this here one straight down to the ground. All and pull and make we fling it down. Just jog up that.
Shock out you.
Have fashion.
Shock out you.
The circle.
Shock him, shock out you.
Tell me why music sweet so the young girls love it from them head to them toe. Tell me why music sweet so the young girls love it from them head to them toe. Come in and make we do the bubbling. Come in and make we do the jumping. Why like ya? Touch me back and touch me belly.
girl. When you ready, you come dance with me. Touch me back and touch me belly, girl. When you ready, you come dance with me. Just put one hand in the air, one hand for me waist. Move your waist to the drum and the bass, girl. Move your waist, but nothing else. Just touch me back and touch me belly, girl. When you ready, you come dance with me. Touch me back and touch me belly, girl. When you ready, you come dance with me. Whoa,
Hold it, Mr. Selector. Hold it.
Just jog up that.
Right now, it's the Black Star. Black Star sound compete in the crew, you know. No bag and pan business and all them things they say. No spare niceness. No come in if it's right. Princess
yes,
Black,
me
come
I
in, man.
Yes, me I. Special Chris man called Winston Williams. Still man called Kingston. I think the stick, the sin.
No one like the right smart.
Your anger, you just a dove in a did hey, your anger, you just a nice up the place. She would, you cook me now, they don't say you feel all right. You cook me now, they don't say you don't rock right. You rocker, you stinker, you toba, say you rubber, say you hold up on your pitching and you're rubbing so you hold up on your sitting and you're rubber. I jack.
Shock them money and shock out. Shock out them money and shock out. No combination, come in.
Oh, Lord of mercy, Earl Cunningham, a day, Junior Rams, Finnegan, Sacred. So we are go down. One away, we a move, one away, we a move, one away. Oh, the uptown massive, them a move one away. The downtown massive, them a move one away. Walk on the road, you have to move one away. The car it a drive, it have to move one away. One away.
What
One away. Oh, you come in a Black Star, you a rock one away. Me no see no man walk back way a sickly front. One away. One away. Oh, Earl Cunningham, let's go on, me lion. Boy. So get ready, every posse get ready. Get ready, every posse get ready. A Black Star way I play well steady. Black Star way I play well steady. Don't need to brag and we don't need to boast. Don't need to brag and we don't need to boast. Tell you this a sound, give you rubber dub the most. Tell you this a sound, give you rubber dub the most. So get ready, every posse get ready. Get ready, every posse get ready. This a sound man a play well steady. This a sound it a play well steady. Come in, Eddie. I see the evening talking, working over now it's evening time. But I said the evening talking, working over now it's evening time. But I see you coming in this section just a rock and walking. You coming in this section just a rock on biking. You coming on this section say you feel all right. You coming on this section say you don't rock right. You wouldn't bring your preaching and you're robbing so you wouldn't bring your stitching and you rob by so you rocker, you skinker, you topa, say you roba, say you rocker, you skinker, you topa, say you roba, say the evening talking, work it over now it's evening time. But I say the Black Star talking, work it over now it's Black Star time. But I say swing, ribby lion, yes, my lion, Danny Dread.
Yes, black people, yes, right now. I no come to send no greetings to no gunman, cause them see man go shoot and I see it. I just the decent black people and I just feel nice. I wanna sting now, I wanna shot. I just come to push down the vibes. Big Black Star against Little Black Star, but I show you man. Just starting man, understand me man. What's the thing called a title dedicated to the youth called Carlton, youth called Norris? We rolling.
No old tight junglist. One up in the crew, a phone stylist in.
And dedicated to the guard nights to move across the border. Move by.
Old tight bubbles.
They never know you are the young girl. Come on and tell me who, tell me who are the tiger.
Warriors youth.
I wanna know who, tell me who are the tiger. The BLACKSTAR and the tiger just to ride you like a cycle, and you know that we
Yes, Smokey drop college, you never learn to play a sound, see?
I say, listen, tell me who, tell me who are the tiger. Come on, tell me who, tell me who are the tiger. Kajani said him of the tiger, and put from Malvo of the tiger.
Release the Mr. Metro.
Why we have the tiger, because every map the tiger. But that's only just a bubble.
What kind, Tom?
A trouble, just a wobble. So come and tell me woo.
We ask the Colonel, you ruling the man.
Well, right now, well, Peter Metro, I want you to come in, cause you know it going. Sin, don't tight Leroy Smart. Gotta respect you every time. We're gonna play the part 2 style and dreadlocks. I want you to listen to the lyrics, Don't wanna play the crew, all junglers, all spanglers, a full stylist, Selassie, I know.
Yes, man.
Roy Irie, Sickle, Tony Topera, Scotcha.
Words.
Give me no dreadlock. One da ding, one da dong ding, one da ding, one da dong ding. One a penny passing you fi riding a this, jumping passing you fi jumping a this. Pull it up. How Squiddly ranking, Dicky ranking, hold on tight youth. Sin, appear agony, Selassie I know. Sign a brand new release for the slinting. I take life. The Selassie I know.
The Colonel gone #1 with the one, the scene.
How second management damage, man like Bruck, man like Tiger. Hold tight Norris. One da ding, one da dong ding. Rip bong skeng. One a penny passing you fi riding a this. Jumping passing you fi come up in a this. Have a new style of money out fi flash it. Open for your ears and I listen to it. Yesterday evening me did feel sick. Mother never like to see you me have on it. Give me medicine out of the medicine chest. Pull up, circle. Oh,
yes,
time Mitchell. Come in, Junior, and Finnegan. Come in.
Yes, man. I've had enough rascal to go out with you, Finnegan and Junior are easy. More rascal left, man.
Take it down low.
Itch it down. Itch it.
Selassie, I got no.
Big. JBC crew. Winston Williams. Edifit Try. Wall side.
Michael Prophet, you're big enough. Where yourself enough? Junglers. When it's farm, you out to the big every time. Nowhere in yourself.
Denver.
Every time.
Clarkstown, massive.
Well, differently.
Kentire.
The king himself take this one now.
So the double duo, you know, 86 a win, you have to 5 rule, Y'all pick me, steady waistline. Jamal, man, to see you.
Well, Junior Rankin. Come let me know my girl I did it in a rasta.
Why myself that's you know?
Sure. Come let me know she did it in a
Sure. What am I dealing with rasta?
Catch it.
I wear them like, I wear the girls them like, I wear them like, Lord. I wear the girls them like.
Cause when I was a kid, man, it's strictly big city.
You see, now I turn this man and start to wonder.
Miss a mouse girl just up in a beer angler.
I know this fat girl when them call her sweetie.
Now the girl just a model in a Berlucci.
You see them have another one when them call her Sharon.
She say, Finnegan a go and look another man.
Why?
You don't want my Michelle.
I wear them like.
Take it down low.
Easy, you're the style now.
I got
no, you see the style.
Peter, me say you're big enough.
Hold on there. You see the style? This style was created in Miami, you know. Christmas gone. Yeah. What forget guys that can thing.
No,
easy no man.
General Cheese, you're big enough. Sasa, welcome around, man.
You're the know, y'all pick me. You're the ranking, I'm something gone. Hey, get it.
Easy weezy and a nice with nice.
You like it.
Easy weezy and a nice with nice.
Get it up.
Easy weezy and a nice with nice.
Hey,
easy weezy and a nice when nice.
Now me nicer than the chicken, I'm cooler than the ice.
You see we nicer than them curry goat with them white rice. Cause easy weezy and a nice when nice. You like it? Easy weezy and a nice when nice.
Come and say me a mix up Junior ranking blender.
You see you.
I want a son and Junior get a daughter.
You see you.
Down in the ghetto we a DJ Dada.
You see we walk on the road, them shout we ill super. Cause easy weezy and a nice when nice. You like it? Easy weezy and a nice when nice.
The most youth nowadays lost them culture. Jerry curl them ear like them a buyer. Them wear stiff collar like a vampire. But that's due to the vibes and the video thriller. Most youth nowadays lost them culture. The least little thing them tell you suck you mama. I drop with them knife blocker. Them a butcher but me mother and me father tell me them a joke.
Youth nowadays lost them culture. Jerry curl them ear like a vampire. Wear stiff collar like a vampire. Itching.
Take it round now. Take it round now.
Now come in Peter make try.
Come in you out, you big.
Selassie,
God knows how we did.
Cool us up. Hold on. Pull it back. See, now big request to all jungle listener. And all the security gonna know say how we run yourself for headquarters they say. Just hold tight. Metro me the crew in England me a come from. See, me little virgin called Tonto Metro about here. Well, Peter Metro go do some Englishman lyrics. See, I want to name police in England. Easy. Hold tight now, Earl. Junglish. Hold tight. Now, Jed, it name police in England. It name police in England. Catch it. It name police in England. Metro. It name police in England, Lord. Come me say, one Friday night around 7:30. Say me and Josie will we did not go to party. The car at Josie drive. It name Master. Josie will not drive the car and not drinking liquor. Step on the highway 100 miles per hour. Same time me hear a voice come to a speaker. In the name of the Queen, I beg you to pull over. Hey. So we pull over on the side of shoulder. As them approach me, pull up now. I want people to hear the lyrics in it. See my car. Me and my little virgin called Tonto have Sunday. You see now England, we rock. Yeah. Now Jen. Tonto, it's like what I'm gonna make you do. Where you gonna make you do? What are you going at? See?
Pull up down the jet. Easy. How I know say? Tonto Irie and I virgin still not see it.
Yeah man.
Can you see me? My name Tonto Metro about ya.
True.
See?
No galang me select.
I see down the jet. It's a BLACKSTAR them give you a warp you know. For Metro bubbling the best speed up you know. Here we have a new one you know. Go in
Metro. Just galang my big time selector. Don't worry yourself Tonto. You must make some money out of the business. See? Now, Jay, say that we love the British posse. We love the junglist posse. We don't like no actor posse. Peter Metro and them Prentice are go do it. Lord, say Peter Metro and them Prentice are go do it. Lord, say that the Metro and them Prentice are go do it. Lord, say Peter Metro and them Prentice are go do it. Cause anything we chat the two are we unique.
They call them people licking hood and them a stamp them face.
Girl, you come in at the dance and you a step on with physique.
Lord, the lyrics now we head back, you know our whole age.
And then she stand upside and Metro and a shine her gold teeth.
And if she speak too much, I'm going to slap her on her face.
Oh, what you know? Metro, oh, flashy it.
Tonto, oh, mashy it.
Metro, oh, flashy it.
Tonto, oh, mashy it.
Metro, flash it.
Tonto, mash it.
Step on the mic.
Me kill it with it.
Me God, me king.
Was sleep by it.
And Metro,
give it the opposite.
I will
give it the counterfeit. They might be fully equipped. Complicate the damn public. Your own are even sick.
HIT said that's a hit.
And PIT said that's a bit.
And GIT said that's a git.
And SIT said that's a sit.
And LIP said that's a lip.
And FIT said that's a fit.
And ZIP said that's a zip.
But there is something me have to admit.
To chat them style, you have to be quick.
Okay, I think said that's a it.
And P-I-T said that a pit.
And P-I-P said that a pip.
And L-I-P said that a lip.
And L-I-T said that a lip.
S-H-I-T said that a shit.
And P-I-S, you know a piss.
Your sex too much, it hurt your hip.
You name too much, you got colic.
So we have the best part in the music. So we have a later with a plastic, the water with physical tech, with extra classical dynamic, which on the console. Pull up, Mr. Selector.
Take it down low.
Hold tight, dreadlocks, because I get next lyrics. I get next intelligent lyrics. See? Let me know, Mike. I'm not Kevin. How long, Mr. Selector? Now, Jed, you see in England, Metro Media Crew, link up with our socks in a dance, a peer worry. So you understand? You see we are dead and we are dead and we are dead and done. We are dead and we are dead and we are dead and done. We are dead and we are dead and we are dead and done. We are dead and we are dead and we are dead and done. Say just the other day me jump on a plane Milan England. Who faced with a Metro Lord, it was a little white. Man want to test my talent, see I've come and ask me question. Be at me brought abroad and then Jamaica Island. Say where you get your water from the Hermitage. Damn the moon reservoir, it is the smallest one, the capital of England, you know Alana. Than the capital of America that are washing. Tan me no like no scientist, me no like no politician. Those people send no future institution. Me no matter what the party, me no vote election. Me we boom parliament and keep a celebration. Before you build a house, you check the foundation. Me no suffer from no disease, no infection. Me no like sleep with girl when no have no motion. Them lay down at the bed and them can't turn you on. No, take a look in at the science section. So when you're in a lab deep concentration, you might roll a test tube and burn up your hand. The eating of water cause evaporation. We said just the other day, say Metro go to England. We say me and Josie will with it that drive a rover. Same time me hear a voice come to a speaker. In the name of the Queen, I beg you to pull over, Lord. So we pull over upon the side hard shoulder. Police approach me, so we wind down do with them say, what's the name, Mike? The name Metro Peter. What's the name, driver? Josie wheeling the answer. Why you driving like this? You think you're in Jamaica? Let me your driver's license, your name and your number. Put in the car and let us search for the ganja. So me come out and make them search for them ganja. They never find no knife, no revolver. But little after that, impact me on my shoulder. I say Metro, please don't pay me $20. Police in England. Lord, me say police in. Come in the bridge and down the jail big.
Lord of mercy. Hey, on this song, turning one another love stone. But on this song, turning general stone. But on this song, turning woman dumb stone. But on general. Yeah, you know. No black people last time, you know, cause when you come a Black Stars like a stage show. I remember two great sound and one big land, big Scorpio against Lickshot, BLACKSTAR International, the son of Marshall, and the beautiful Marshall. Along with the youth called Tonto, Irie. The weekend of my youth called Padan Crucial Sonny, the youth come from Firehouse. Rona West Reggae, come from Sin. Right, man.
Stars, what dreadlock? And I'm playing a style and fashion.
Reggae, we ready and not gone with that.
BLACKSTAR gone every time. Youth can't
I don't some vibe.
BLACKSTAR.
Yeah. What time turn low?
Bro! All the people were dancing when BLACKSTAR starts to play. When a BLACKSTAR starts to play. When a BLACKSTAR.
I hear me operator. I want you to pull up that thing up. Type them tune ya. Come on, hear them tune ya, you know, man. Last time, you know. It's only when you hear BLACKSTAR sound when you hear this tune, right? We don't have to brag and show off. See? Yeah. Papi me I come from. Some I come from America, some I come from Canada, some I come from England, and Papi me I come from. See?
All the people were dancing when BLACKSTAR starts to play.
Boom!
When a BLACKSTAR starts to play. When a BLACKSTAR starts to play. And all the girls were jumping when Saturday Tony start
One Smokey Joe, you roll.
Them say Father Tony, don't stop singing.
Hey.
All the people were dancing when Tonto Irie started DJ. And Smokey Joe immaculate.
One time Peter.
All of the sound just a friend. All the people were shouting when Black Star started to play. Them say Black Star, don't stop playing. They know we don't mean to brag and we don't mean to
what is Black Star song?
No, but Black Star play rubber dub the most. Oh yeah. So all the girls were dancing when Black Star start to play. And when a Black Star start to play. And when a Black Star start to play. And all the girls were shouting when Brigadier start DJ.
Yeah, man.
Let's say Brigadier, don't stop DJ.
Morris Carlton.
Them come in and they dance and just a jump and dance.
Yes, dreadlock.
And I just went up to sit up and piece of this, piece of
my dude come for Anthony.
Them come in and they dance and just a jump and dance. Hey, all the people.
But dreadlock's gonna post it on this year. Lick out against politics in a dance hall, you know. Yeah, cause enough musicians get licked down through politics. See? And if you do music, you can't do politics, you know. See? We don't love, we don't like, we don't love, we don't like, we don't love, we don't like, we don't love, we don't like no JLP. We don't love, we don't like, we don't love, we don't like no JLP. We don't love, we don't like, we don't love, we don't like no PMP. And them two fuckers mashing up the country. We want urban money, we want urban money. Come bubble it, urban money, we want urban money. Cause enough DJ no like Poopa Danny. Enough DJ no like Poopa Danny. I chew me hands, some of them ugly. I chew my belly full and some of them hungry. I chew them broke pocket and we have money. I feed them gal ugly, feel we gal well pretty. Lord and the dread flash it in a styly. Come catch up down the dreadlocks in a bubbling styly. It name the bubbling styly, come catch them bubbling styly. Bubbling styly, come catch the bubbling styly. Man, gal and go dance with the gal Susie. Go and go dance with the one Anne Marie. Go and go dance with the brown ass passy. Sharon where Ivan come from. Then the man me say Sharon where Ivan come from. You could have voted shower ice and you a power gun. The system done the dreadlocks in my band champion. I want you to know that the dreadlocks make the ram. I want you to know that the dread make it ram. Cause no for go with them chopper rate up on the man. And 10 diamond ring just a mag up on the man. But I'm done the dreadlocks in the ram jam session, Lord. Hit a fi ram, this a dance a fi ram. Hit a fi ram, this a dance a fi ram. She gone to the clinic, but to plan. She gone go plan it, but to kill the girl, go kill it. You lose me, she gone to the clinic, but to plan. She gone go plan it, but to kill the girl, go kill it. Yes, dreadlock scene. We have to broke back.
What a wicked girl like that. And I still play the old car crucial Paddy Anthony. And a big request to the one up in the posse. Count a big every time, you know. Second right crow, easy Zozo. Special request to all of the arrows crew.
Get everything and still want more.
Hear that?
Hear that? Still want more. Hear that? BLACKSTAR, kill your rubber dub for sure. What more do you want now? What more you want? But tell me what more you want now. What more you want? What more do you want now? What more? Fire on now that you get what do you want? Do you want more? Now that you get what do you want? Do you want more? I gave you Michael Palmer. I gave you Al Fine. I gave you Junior Reed. Malvo. I gave you Pat Anthony. Don't give me no power. Don't join the crowd. BLACKSTAR. Don't give me no power. Oh well. I gave you Sugar Minor. I gave you Leroy Smart. I gave you Antonelli. I know you can't find this. Don't give me no power. Oh well. Don't give me no power. Oh no. gave you Tonto, Irie. I gave you Poopa Malvo. I gave you Earl, Cunningham. I gave you Danny, so don't give me no more. Don't turn the sky, BLACKSTAR to war.
Different style.
Don't give me no more.
Look at the thing called Mountain Fury.
Oh yes, we become a bride, but you will not fit the yard.
Same village, but different style.
You will not fit the yard. No boy can't come. John up your BLACKSTAR to war. Forget his life. Now will you get
Will he come for combination style? Well, Jellox, me not John can't pan man. But no fun I see them trash and ready. But you see me as a youth to sharp and ready. We don't worry with the trash and the rubbish and the garbage business. Let's go from the top, Smokey down. Can you know what's the champion? Play with the Kingston called down the Stanfield Marshall Sound a partial from the up-down section. Special request to each and every one. Whether you're a man or you are a woman, simple in the fit from Winston William. So we no trash and we no rubbish, we no garbage. So we no trash and we no rubbish, we no. So we no trash and we no rubbish, we no garbage. We no trash and we no rubbish, we no. We no trash and we no rubbish, we no garbage. So we no trash and we no rubbish, we no. Them say we sharp already, them say we sharp already. Sharp already, them say we sharp already. The shoes when we say that a clock body. And which part it come from upper Italy. The pants when we say that a heavy duty. And which part it come from upper Miami. You know say Mr. Back him love the way they can say. And which part it come from in a New York City. The after when we say that a Congalberry. And which part it come from up on New Jersey. So when we come and have we fling it in a style. And all of the girls say they look sexy. Them say that Mr. Bakim, yeah, he look cheesy. Them say me sharp already, them say me sharp already. Come on me, sharp already, them say me sharp already. Me no trash and me no rubbish, me no garbage. Say me no trash and me no rubbish, me no garbage. Them say me sharp already, them say me sharp already. Sharp already, them say me sharp already. You know say Mr. Tiger, he ma chatty tweet me.
Inna the dance, me say no style. Hey, sick and cashy, watch on we sick and cashy. Sick and cashy, watch on we sick and cashy. Cause enough we pocket man, inna we belly. Cause one side that and the other side that and the. Cause that's why the pretty and ugly girls power with me. We always sick and make sure we cashy. Hey, sick and cashy, watch on we sick and cashy. Tell you Mr. Tiger man, him slick and cashy. Bow! Sick and cashy, watch on we slick and cashy. The Cedar Valley massive, yet they slick and cashy. The BLACKSTAR massive said they slick and cashy. A boy make some MC quality. Then put the one begs and come and list me. But tell them brigadier, yes, I him teach me. Him no teach me no war and no brutality. Him teach me about the love, yes, and the harmony. Coffee BLACKSTAR is and the ice on you see. This I am, yeah man. Agony. What is again? Well, say cloud minibus operator. Same to bus like foreign mind and tired body. Sick yourself no winning. The youth called crucial, Levi smart. The man they are like we brew. Hey, Mr. Smart. You know it's a long time here, man. I don't want to put some right away. Life in the rest.
Babylon said them rude.
Alright.
But we rule every time. Babylon said them rule. But music rules the nation. No mix up with no
Mr. Smart man, you're big enough. Shuka Brown episode 1, you must come get me.
Bring them born and them take it for fun.
Go!
We come with music if you rock them down. Babylon
Say them rule.
but we rule
All the time.
every time. Babylon said them rule.
Now squish
But music heals the nation. If you mix up in a gang war affair, you better stay far. Nobody come near. Only wicked men them carry guns. But judge a people them.
Black people.
Babylon said them rule. But we rule. Babylon said them rule. But respect you, the singers and the musicians.
Yes, Mr. Smart, you're the dance scene.
You mix up with no ammunition. We have future in our intention.
people.
Babylon said them rule.
I said them rule.
We rule.
All the time.
Babylon said them rule.
Yes, black people.
But music rule.
Now BLACKSTAR push down some little and turbo vibes.
We rule every time. We rule in this your time. So walk with them run and them
Angela, you want to buy people from?
We rock them down. Babylon said them rule.
Stars.
But shall we rule every time? Babylon said them rule. But music rules.
Second nation. I think of a time. Will it come to combination style and I'm playing on the weekend of white? I know it's gonna come and start. Dancehall of car. That's why me don't walk up and don't come no like a man step on my class. You know? Me no like. No boy come step on me clock. Me no like. No boy come step on me clock. Cause $360 where it cost. It sell a arcade and it no sell a mall. I hit me up a wear and come nice up your dance. The anytime me talk, say the dance of the cock. Me come in at the dance, say the dance skylark. Say anytime me talk, say the liquor drink up. Say anytime me talk, say the food eat up. They say that this a packet but the cheap and stuff. Me no like. No boy come step on me clock. Me no like. No boy come step on me clock. Cause $360 where it cost. It sell a arcade and it no sell a mall. I hit me up a wear and come nice up your dance. They say that this a packet but the cheap and stuff. Cause when me hold the mics them a bound up it up. Me wear me console but me don't wear me glass. Me dog in a me hand and Jaja know say them hard. Me dog in a me hand, Jaja know say them hard. You knock up on me gate and them bound up it back. Me next door neighbor the whole of them pass. Me walk on my road them a pass them remarks. The shoes them a wear and Jaja know that a class. Me come a dance all and they dance so cock. Me no like no boy come step on me class. Me no like no boy come step on me class. Go tell them that it's a rem and the change fast stop. Go take it Mr. Back up and them make me attack. Say come in and the jet cause Jaja know say you're hard.
Well black people just right now. From my come I don't boots no passy. I just attack lyrics scene. And this one dedicated to the Dan. The Dan scene. Lord of mercy. No black people. The beauty can't live rise from the thing called the Dan. Dan. I am the Dan. Banding, me and the Dan. Black people we are the Dan. This is so it and the Dan. Let me know start. Double play a Gemini on the ground, make it wrong. Come in at the dance, everybody does a jam, we are the Dan. This is what it and the Dan. Bye. Cause this sound them no ideas have no selection. This sound them no ideas have no selection. But the operator them no pay attention. Then they took them with the rubber dub injection. Should have spit them just a bubble in a slow motion. When Danny just a turn on the pump action, him a the Dan. Bye, him a the Dan. Begin a one and miss the one in a tree. One God, one name, and miss the one destiny. We are the Dan. Black people, we are the Dan. We are the colonel.
Every time. Black people, we are the Dan. Lord, hey, we no yam bacon, Trent and neither armor. Why you fend away at the vegetarian? Specialize in eating with some ackee and yam. Me fling a full bucket and me just buy a dam. But up and pay me bed like man a sleep and a vegan. Me first trip to London, come back.
This is tune you know when I play. I don't sound like Kingston and sound like imperfect. Now I'm gonna play this tune, see? And this tune were made when we were in liquid form, okay?
Well, Bingy, one by Rip right now.
Final tune, dedicated to the sister called Tanya from the youth called Colonel Tonto, see? The musical thing called We Crown King in the area.
Every time. Every time. Me no mind listen to that sound, me no love BLACKSTAR the best. BLACKSTAR the best. Yay!
We big up, we bother, we double sipper. Big up, we down, we double sipper. Lord. We beat it, bully bye bye bye, bully bye bye bye, bully bye bye bye, bully. Take it down, down the tread. Yeah, man, can't hold tight, no man, understand me, man.
Whoa, time you want sleep.
Who's the thing called King? On the area. Dedicated to the general and New York. Scene. Bully bye bye bye, bully bye 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 bye. Bully bye bye bye, bully bye 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 bye, Lord. Bully bye 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 bye, bully bye, bully bye, bully bye, bully bye, bully bye 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 bye. Bully we again, now we're big, we band down, we double zipper. Big up, we band down, we double zipper. Big up, we band down, we double zipper. The first record me do a lemon popsicle, and me we rock even the lemon, me we rock the cripple. Me rock even the baby, we suck the nipple. Every gunshot a fire come to another. Tell them that the dreadlocks come him nothing of trouble. Lord Blackstar sound you well terrible. The dub away you play cause it miserable. Still I say no. Trouble me say trial, me say no problem. Say trouble me say trial, me say no problem. The general a chat cause we come fi hang them. The general a chat Lord we come fi teach them in name trouble. Say trial, me say no problem. One colonel
ballerina. But I'm saying about the then ballerina. Oh, the poopa sound the rule the area. Lord of mercy, no one worries on the dance and me say worries tonight. Worries on the dance and me say worries tonight. Winter to Irie, take up the mic. Just take a lick out of a big ganja pipe. When me lick the pipe, me and them well bright. Have lyrics on me heart, kidney, liver on me light. Lyrics on me head and me throat and me tripe. Lyrics on me mouth is like a damn dynamite. Brains just a chuckle like the engine of a bike. In the rhythm, me just strong down tight. Flying like a bird, and me float like a kite. Song skipper dance and me say one Sunday night. Yeah, come up the dance and me say from left to right. Juggling spassy, I want them girlfriend tight. All of a sudden, man, them turn on the light. What black in a dark in a light so bright. From the bomb me never sight, shut a thing in me sight. Soldier in a green and police in a blue. Yeah, back up them gonna say that this a curfew. Yes, them could not run one else they could go. Jamming up a 4-5 tiger up a 2-2. Yes, them could not run one else they could go. Come on me and I'm on the yarn start blow. Get the taxi with them on the play part 2. The police start camp go. So you think I make sure me say respect Joe. Think you're not the Bruck but me say respect Joe. But I yes a cool run is when they dance all nice. Yes a cool run is when they dance all nice. Jungle is passing over worries tonight. Before passing them over worries tonight. Till your tongue while we man and mash it all night. Talk from a no one till a broad daylight.
Me thinking of me thought, get wet and you be smart. Me thinking of me thought, get your wet and you be smart. It's good to drink the cold milk, you be drinking by the quad. The coconut or water, yes, it washes off your heart. Take care of what you struck, the regularly up on the part. Me can't begin me lyric for it reaching on the chart. Me thinking of me thought, get wet and you be smart. Me thinking of me thought, get your wet and you be smart. My favorite to drink it is a Campari. One time me used to sip the Johnny Walker with the key. Well, when I go to show what it up in a balcony, what I love to drive a ladder and a yes boat Capri. You tell them it's a tiger of the energy. Me ram the dance hall and cut the party. My woman is not at home, I love to wash my own clothes. But as I entertain, I love to muggle and pose. I use the handkerchief and blow the cold from me nose. Don't you wake me while I'm sleeping cause I have to take a dose. Go tell them it's a tiger, yes, it's clever and smart. I hope a leap of girls who really love me to me heart. Go tell them BLACKSTAR in on the streets of a spark. Words are not gonna trend.
Well, right now, big request to the man like Meekie and Chef from People Massive, Jumbo Large, upcoming Scorpio, I respect you, sin.
Every time.
Now drive on Transfer NG 7163. Please move your vehicle, sin. You're black and next man right there, want to make a move, sin. Or you come to relax and have a part 2 style original of them style a cool profile. I want to dedicate them to all nice and decent people and all last one in the place. Bam below. Hold tight, Bud Spencer. Or yourself.
Hey, cat a miss, cat a bad boy, a boss, shut come get that. Cat a miss, cat a couple, listen, leg, back in your head. Cat a miss, cat a bad boy, a boss, shut come get that. Cat a miss, cat a couple, listen, leg, back in your head. Cat a miss, cat a bad boy, a boss, shut come get that. Cat a miss, cat a couple, listen, leg back. I tell them how the police and they get to them tracks. I tell them how the police and they get to them tracks. In a skull leg, short, 4 door, red, dead. A 5 of them, a trucks and 4 brown, 1 black. With matic on the bip on them, 16 on the back. For round a 1 militia, every man pocket flat. Him fight a bad boy and them tell him to start. Him make a fun them move back. Take it up, take it up, take it up. Plain man, let me not show you. Understand me, man. How you locks, hold tight arrows. And all massive. Bam, below, below, below. How you locks, well, listen to style. Hey. Bam, below, below, below. Hey. Hold tight, dreadlocks. Now I can read it in the morning, gleaner. Lord, I can read it in the evening. Dealer. Sneak preview businessman. Well, I'll be a nice this one, they do not dreadlocks. I don't want to let them feel away. Same. Flexing. Promoter roping for flexing, same. And now sneak preview style. Them style up on the Scorpio label. And I feel them still intelligent. Dedicate to all black and white, cause I never for some fight. Triple love on you night, you know, all tight with Cal Williams. I can read it in the morning gleaner. Lord, I can read it in the evening star. Lord, me say we want a lot of more loving. Hey, me say we can't take the tribal war. Hey, down in the ghetto where we're black and our soul. Some love the silver land, some love the gold. In my pocket, man, I pain the soul. I go kill for my brother, red the same me soul. Oh, and a miles old. Sneak preview. All tight dreadlocks. Sliceless. Riddle the Babylon. All dreadlocks. Scorpio, man. Now wrap up. Babylon. Riddle the Babylon. Babylon. And next time dreadlocks for the Scorpio label. And they fling them original saying, hey, balloon. Balloon. Hear them song star. Hey, I'm great. Lord, I have faith. This is a story about a monkey and a ape. Lord, I am great. Lord, I have faith. Now this song is a story about a monkey and a ape. But you know, can now the monkey with the monkey, now the ape is a monkey. Sucker. Be a nice dreadlocks. Be a pain man. Well, listen me now. We don't like flash one lyrics too much time, man. But I want you to style now. So release for the ass man label again. Just a style now, star. Riddle the bomb, balloon. Riddle the bomb, balloon. Hey. Listen, style, star. Listen now, star. I want to call it. Them call it dripping police. No, you feel dripping police. My teeth for dripping police. Sneak preview, man. Let me not show you, man. All tight junglist. Spain land massive. Waterhouse massive. And all massive. That's all tight. All tight killer. Safe. Man like this. Hey. You like this. Nero. All tight. Don't respect man. Hey. Babylon. Riddle the balloon. A white listener style and dedicate to all man who love bleach, man. Dedicate to all man who love bleach. I'm gonna show you what one night. Think me it gone. Riddle the balloon. All tight one up in the massive. Hey. Babylon. Dedicate to a man teacher that make called Sassafrass. Come from New York, man. Enough respect. Hey. Babylon. Riddle the balloon. While it's a style now. Hey. It name. Dripping police. No you for dripping police my teeth. Dripping police. No you for dripping police my teeth. Dripping police. No you for dripping police my teeth. Dripping police. No you for dripping police. One night me gonna dance. Lord me gonna bleach. Me come back early morning and me well won't sleep. Me need them a wobble and me foot get weak. Lord, from me step away me all a seat. Me hold up on the lock through the creases me peep. Me sight a man from me bed
head under me sheet. Me flashing on me kitchen and me get some curry. Knock, knock on the door and me girl a farm sleep. Knock, knock on the door and she get up in the eat. She open the door, me squeegee in meat. Say who that from me bed wrap up under me sheet. Me auntie brother cause me pass through a wall of sleep. Me just lift up the sheet and dreadlocks, be a niceness, man. Be a niceness. Well, let us style now.
Oh, baby.
Bam, balloon, balloon. Hey, balloon. Hey, bam, balloon. Hey, bam, balloon, balloon. Well, dreadlocks, stick with your music. Take time and little brother, you're rich. The time gets so hot, me have to spot on the beach. Nah, take time and little sister, you're rich. The time gets so hot, me have to spot on the beach. Culturally, take time and little brother, you're rich. The time gets so hot, me have to spot on the beach. Nah, take time and little sister, you're rich. The time gets so hot, me have to spot on the beach. You know, star. Me have a little girl, but she don't love beach. The time gets so hot, me want to cool off the heat. Me get something to drink and something to eat. Me put it in my car, then me hold up in my seat. Step on the highway that the trees gone a beach. But at me side the beach, me girl start sleep like a circus. Me go buck up just and now up on the beach. Me sight a elephant rapping and a preach. Me sight a mother cow, a feel a gold teeth. Me sight a donkey dress up in a long white breeze. Me sight a pampas. Tingala, tingala. Sneak preview business, man, no soul tight. But I'll make sure, soul tight. Yellowman, no respect to all entertainer. Can you know what try and I try? So last say I can't say we never try. When hold them peace now, man. Hold them peace now, coming up playing one lyrics 2 times. So last say I know. How much lyrics I mind? Hold that peace now, man. Hey, me no want no their staff. Me no want no their staff. Me love me lifestyle. Me love me lifestyle. Me no want no their staff. Me no want no their staff. Me love me lifestyle. Some DJ come and don't stop out them a shack. Tell them General 3 you will turn them back. Some DJ come and don't stop out them a sting. But tell them General 3 you will clip them wing. But in a this and that will not a put it on a swing. Hear me on the rhythm and make it for riding. Put it on the rhythm like a lizard on a limb. In a this and that will better crown making. On the rhythm make we juggle and ting. Here General 3 you me keep riding. Tingala. Well, all tight now, dreadlocks. Balloon. Well, I want you hear that piece now. Balloon. Well, pull up down the school, pull up. Well, listen to me, my love can my youth got creamy corner, man. When me go fling that sound out dedicated to all youth, man, who love got creamy corner, sing. Hey, balloon. Balloon. Hey, balang. You understand how start? Hey, now with my mother and my father and my sister and my brother, now they want to take a trip and now to take it up. Let me now show you, man. Well, pull up. You're gonna fling a style on. For all man who ride in one wheel bicycle, come in and fling one lyrics 2 times. All that occasion locks the man call early bit of duck. Oh, now rough up, man. Balloon. You know them call me now? Them call me Zeke, Emmanuel, Zaki, Raya Brown. Can you take me to the country and the back in the town? Have me one wheel bicycle, come tell me what you got. One wheel and an axle with me seat pan top. It's a riding exhibition, every rider them a craft. Me make a body ride and 2 car crash. The light ride and me jump over that. Me flashing like a car like a Take it up. Dreadlocks. Sneak preview business me a fling, man. Hey, come in, teacher. Balloon. Ready balloon. Hey, big fat self, this a big fat self, big fat self, this a big fat self, big fat self, this a big fat self. Sasa in a the dance with the big fat self.
Just pull up on the mic.
No with the big fat self.
And we're gonna repeat the crowd.
With the big fat self.
And then we start for Kojo.
With the big fat self.
And then we start for the band.
No with the big fat self.
And then we start.
Take it up. Hold tight, Nero, don't worry yourself. They're nice to dreadlocks. Original idea of fling scene. Now dedicate them style of dreadlocks. All nice and decent people in the place. The spot they trying to make call Wayne Coastal Palmer. Now this God will give up fling them style well intelligently. Now dedicate to each other. Whole lady dedicate to Dallas for one T Granny.
Pull it selector, one. Pull it selector, one. Me no like off, Susie a gone. True I'm man, the leader come. She must take me for John Tom. Full of a need from.
Dedicate to Mr. Margie. A Marvel police station all tight.
So don't
and our crew hey, you like Yardas all tight.
True love I need.
Baloo. Hey. Dedicate to the peddler. Man like Shuka shine. I never man that's all I'm for that thing called trouble. Baloo. Hey.
Me no like all Susie a gone. True I'm man, the leader come. I will tell you this from the start. Yeah. That true love will never part.
What's your locks? Oh, you come on in the position too. I want you to see what you said. I want you to last in the bed. You can say what they ask man, so I want to pick up the bed. Well, now fisherman, the way you hold them style here. Because I have to check for all fisherman, man. Hold them style of dreadlocks. Come right there, right now. This is the one you call the diving. This is the one you call the diving. Bang down the diving. Now crowd of people catch the diving. No mixing, Lord. We come and wake up all the man. They want to do me diving. Put on me cockle, let me put on me fin. Hold me oxygen, no buckle, no me gun and thing. Now me jump off in a river, now me start to diving. Me we shoot no parrot and me we shoot no ground. Now for youth and just a come out with them general stones. But me not drink no rum, you know me not go get drunk. And the diving, listen one you call the diving. Hey, they call me Regina come the 23rd of next month. Me have to get to some big fat conk. Come and go and see Lord God dive to conk. The color for that me mix up some rum punch. But I true to the vibe me drink some manjong. But I true them no know I just original stunt. I'm a diving. This is the one I call the diving. Hey, I'm a say okay and starfish international dish. But what about the fisherman that get fish? I won't catch it in a day, now him catch it in a night. Mr. Fine Papa Frost blood and for him little wife. Now check for the fisherman the day and night. As him go in at the sea in a dark light. If a shark back him up, him can't defend a fight. Just up box over the boat and then him take him little light. And the diving, this the one you call the diving. Bang down the diving. Hey, because me read it, them your lyrics like a turnip. Hard man me sit down on the rhythm like a carrot. And on this and dance man me really competitive. You know sense in the one thing, know me a talking parrot. When me hold the mic and me a bubble non-stop. At the dreadlocks and the diving. Now balling and the diving. How would you slim, how would you fat? How would you brown, how would you black? I'm playing them style and now sit stop. They look like Roy, Coachel and Tony. Scorpio style, I fling them style, a brand new style. Soul tight all crew. I'll be a niceness. A soul tight young. So fling it. Them style ya. Sneak preview. Hey. Pass them style ya.
That we know easy.
That is God, you're no easy.
So much from the man back up and down. Don't stop you from the front row to down. All I'm pulling me to bring them down. The start you sing ready to kill yourself. He ain't easy.
Stop, you know easy. Stop, you know easy.
That is Scarpa fight.
Cause you know easy.
It's all about this because till you die.
First down, coming up to pack up and run. Second down, come we are gonna fling them to the ground. Third down, come we get to see them take gun. Even if I think it's down, come we fling them to the ground. We don't easy. Stop, you know easy. Stop, you know easy. We ain't easy. Banta patrulha de silencia, banta de matachu ola. Araya Tonya to Farina, yes we come to take a pick up like a area. We ain't easy, that we no easy.
Now we come to Power Version 2. I'll fling them stand up nice up in the venue. What's that innovation number one? How are you weak, how are you strong? How are you band and jam, now you foreign land? How you come dreadlocks? Why they fling the Power Version 2? Hey, come fling on them your style, that's for you. And me come fling on them your style, that's for you. Let me get to Alpha, hit name. Walking, come to the walking, got a big thing. Walking, me love me, walking, got a big thing. Walking, me love me, walking, me love me, walking. Man, no come in at the dance, fine, making no. Inside a sexy girl, I know they walking. Not up in the check, this sexy little girl, and nothing. No one man go past that, two one moving, fine, making. No we have no more money, just this all the way you bring. Hit and China, them me passing, and not to the liquid. Hit them the walking, come to the walking, got a big thing. Walking, me love it. $3. All dreadlocks, or fling them stand on dreadlocks set speed. Containing the original all the while saying versatile child. You know stand no star. Old type killer. Baloo. Put in the baloo. Hey, baloo. You know star. Baloo. Hey, them call me talking peacock. Them call me talking peacock. Me look back, talking peacock. My mother talking peacock. Me the bad talking peacock. Trees and they talking peacock. Me look back, talking peacock. Me and they talking peacock. Me mother want me father. Them a one a little shopper. Me sister want me brother. Want pistol up in a data. Them sell them island flour. One now want so chicken backer. But when them cook the chicken, me eat the bad. But them call me talking peacock. Them call me talking peak. Me the rat back, talking peacock. Them call me talking peacock. Me slim, me the fat, me the brown, me the black. Me slim, me fat, me the brown, me the black. Me take up the mic and start to chat now. Rock in the bottom one. These are up you, Billy, you back now. They are stuck now, fancy you sweat you. They are stuck now, win and dancer. So chat now. Tigala. Style dreadlocks. How come he's Squiddly? Cause so fling it, you know. Nice and easy.
Yeah, John on my gin. No, I'll pull it up. Well, from night, no man, I touch the girls. I mean, I see me DJ photo, man. Come in, I'm care about the long cocky business. See? No girls in the spread out and fall off on the meat now, you know. Cause Squiddly ranking there. Mix up, man. That's why you don't worry yourself, my brethren, see? You ranking just goal. I want you know the girls them now. Skin up your face when you see your enemy. Sing a song, say them now ready, one. Skin up your face when you see your enemy, one. Laugh off of them, cause them now ready, cause them face look good. Eat back choppy. Now I put up the selector. What touch the long cocky man them now we know. No legs spread out. You mug it out storage. You can put a style like a phone style this. Is that style, yeah? We go in Paris and New York. We send my way to my road and worries, man. Lord, say jungle is me a fit. We a fit, say jungle is me a fit. Follow! Take it down, love, man. Well, we got a silent pan record in New York, you know. Producer of me and eat in bed. I do a silent around 2 months of your producer. I know him have me eat in bed. Sit down on it, man. Middle name. Say jungle is me and fit between bit we and fit. Jungle is me and fit between bit we and fit. Just one man we and fit between bit we and fit. We run from Ling and Tony Yovita. We run from Big and Ford and Tony Yovita. Now listen Squiddly man keep on the mic and flash it. Police nowadays nor guess nor speller. The car when them drive, you know what Opella. The one me Ling drive, you know what say a black and Ling and
a me on the front, I'm going to survey on the back. We judging the day, make a figure leg, Pierre Shatter. The 60 on the winter and the whole of them caca. No listen, Squiddly, my keep on the microphone, a chat. Me go, name of the year of them who a fire shot. Rima man a fire shot, jungle man a fire back. Tivoli a lick, pull up. Do this again. Yeah. Jado me a Irie, come in and wrap up. Oh, me go make it now, we don't kite long. No go long me selector man. Also request all Waterhouse man, you know. All not the film man, in a style, yeah. But if I'm superstar, don't worry yourself, you're the most girl, you would all care. Lord, can me sell this to Squiddly, I keep on the microphone a chat. Some a sing, some a shock, and most of them a dead stock. Squiddly, my king is a DJ, me no deal with non-stopper. Say when you want to drink, you understand on the rocks. The other is a DJ, them a come and us rat. We catch piece of bait, we catch a rat in a trapper. Now listen, Squiddly, I keep on the microphone a chat. Rima man a fire shot, jungle man a fire back. Tivoli a lick shot, Mattis Lane a fire back. Saudi a fire shot, Tantella Villa fire back, Fan Street a fire shot, Dunkirk a fire back, Tetasland a lick shot, Superstar a fire back, Back Bush a lick shot, Nanny Villa fire back, Tower Hill a lick shot, Waterhouse a fire back, Yamson a lick shot, Bielan a fire back. Take it all. What do I want to say?
What one ENT?
Second Squiddly ranking, no respect to General Trees, man like Sassafrass, Just Crow, Barrel back, keys in the stomach. I request the Papa Score every time saying, none of request of the BLACKSTAR massive, Tonto Irie safe. Morgan, you want to let the gauge right now. No trees, this style and no need no mixing, cause it's an aristocratic style. Second. Jaman it at the 85 channel. Tell the woman, Jaman it at the 85 channel. Catch it, Jaman this at the 85 channel. Well, in the school I used to go, I used to get detention. Yes, in the school I used to go, I used to get detention. The teacher would say, Welton, shut your ass and pay attention. If anything got missing, I would be under suspicion. The headmaster was giving me a lot of aggravation. And I'm on school reporting, read Welton, no have no ambition to carry on like this. I never achieve an occupation. They tell my parents I was heading in the wrong direction. Mommy asked her, you somebody, I never had an explanation. I would get paranoid, I could not take that situation. Well, me, Tony, and my virgin John, we had an old tradition. Cock up with Sundays talking about things on television. With cheesy, yeah, some dominoes, we would have a competition. Well, I would win, cause when I play with concentration. Down the corner from my yacht, Kentucky shop was always open. We put our money together and buy 3 separate portions. And if I fuck a wolf and could start a conversation. Well, if it's 3 of them, I'd say, come round, come see my mansion. But they would reply, no, cause them no feel me intention. Me want get them into better flames from 6 extra position. But when I man left school, I never had much qualification. I never gave a damn about getting an education. Still, I man did fret about my 2 parents' reaction. My papa start to cause a what a worthless generation. Now living in my yard and listening to make a contribution. Him say me after stick to certain roads and with your lips and play in music. After 12 would only get me an eviction. I never knew some system would be my destination. Will with the mic I build myself a massive reputation. Well, listening ranking Trevor, I man got my inspiration. Papa Welton and Ringo have the sweetest combination. These DJs are the best of us, there is no opposition. The lyrics now my brain is rusting nuclear ammunition. Cause when I talk, well, it will burn your skin like radiation. Unleash it in a dance and that's a total devastation. To chat this kind of lyrics, I wish show no hesitation. Cause I man sat and wrote it like writing a composition. They said I was a ape, no I'm a man to evolution. But I man cannot be fooled by scientists, not politician. I them see a man with enough man a build your institution. Karuma, Farenta, Applier, Retin, Squiddly ranking run out. Welton Irie running. We no ramp, we no skin, right any rhythm. Well no me sit down on the rhythm like a lizard on a limb. You know me sit down on the rhythm like a tiger on a rim. You know me sit down on the rhythm like a crown up on a key. You know me sit down on the rhythm like a mother's pan. You know me sit down on the rhythm like a tiger on a rim. Can me say me here go DJ and Patrick Irie him a sing. Well that's a black guitar color of General Cheese skin. We no ramp and we no skin and we ride any rhythm. You know we sit down on the rhythm like a lizard panel. You know say General treat him bad and this ya make sin. And we no ramp and we no love and we cut white throat. We no skin and we no ramp and we get ignorant. So come in Barry back and you big every time sing.
Yeah, love respect every time teacher. January 3, last difference. You like Ryan Tony, dreadlocks every time. Whole time Peter Mitchell, Coach Ali. You like to know it to the teacher?
You like Rye, Coachel and Tony. Don't flip them song on a snake for your business. Now dedicate to the star on the song called BLACKSTAR. Along with the song called Scorpio.
Everybody get ready.
Hey.
Hey, get ready. And everybody ready now. Invitation put up for your dance on the corner.
You like Rye, Coachel and Tony.
Excitement.
I'll flip the Kingston on the Scorpio.
New shoes.
Hey.
Everybody want come rock to the blues. So what we flash it in a class and cougar. But some of them can't go rent to Toyota. The man them dress up in a unit Janzi. And the woman them in a long dress. Dress from them top right down to them knees. Everybody dress and everybody feel pleased. When dance time and them come a session. The dance session ramp up top.
Dedicate to the cat like Crystal. Hey.
Everybody get ready.
Now get ready.
Hey, get ready.
Come down to that Scorpio Branch Stadium. Middle of the bar, balloon.
All kind of people are up on the dancing. Then the palette, Solji and Babylon.
Dedicate to man like Eva, man like Panel.
Sister Punk, a singer coming. Siren a scream, road black out a road. All of the vendors got to a balloon. And don't a clap right, rubber dump a roll. DJ and operator circle round the control. And get ready. Everybody get ready. Hey, hey, get ready. Now you be get ready now.
Now dedicate to the teacher. Well, like Lars and the Fresh. The friend to you like Barry Buck. Cultural leader, they make you. What time TC?
Alright, see. Siren a scream, road black out a road. All of the vendors got to a balloon. Get ready.
Hey.
Now you be get ready now.
Now them still are dedicated to make all Lars and the Fresh. Man like that is going to top celebrity selector. All title crew. Respect you.
Yeah. I don't like you who ruling now. Well, dreadlocks. Well, it's right now. Every DJ and DJ, whether you're big or small, whether you're weird 10 roach in and you're weird none. So I don't want a DJ, don't you know what's for her and I. I want to know what's for the DJs. You can root and Linda, and we rule, and we are push down the vibes. Right, Suzu? Go!
Early one evening, I tell you now.
One BLACKSTAR. Upton Lindo saying. I was looking kind of bone one time I fault. Not just BLACKSTAR, I still in tune to the number one sound called BLACKSTAR, dedicated to the youth called Blue from Tony Roots. Old tight called Steve. Now the one stand up there.
Early one evening.
Style fashion I play.
I tell you now.
Yes, sir, lads. I know you have no tune can patch it to us. Last I know. And when you come to Rubber the Boy and you come to BLACKSTAR, like you go to the college. Upper caste, sin, College of Arts, Science and Technology. Oh! What do my? Hey. I'm the youth called Zuzu, man, count on to Irie Tiger, Brooklyn. So dumb, scrub, rock and come in, Mr. Rubber and Scrubber. Skank and come in, Mr. Rocker and Rocker. Rock and come in, Mr. Rubber and Scrubber. Skank and come in, Mr. Rubber and Scrubber. Dump and come in, Mr. Rubber and Scrubber. Skank and come in, don't you know, sit down, the sound sounding mellow and clean. Don't you know, sit down, it's heading something nice up the scene. For anything else when me wear it off, my eyes gold and green. Like me marine on my shirts and also my brief. So rub, scrub, rock and come in, Mr. Rubber and Scrubber. Skunk can come in, Lord, that is not carry home. With a bye, Black Star carry home. We mash up 46 and we mash up 40 comb. Gotta tell them down and said them come fi mash it and go home, Lord. With a bye, they dance and fi go on. I tell them down and said them come fi nice up the Lord. Hey, oh,
see, wow, because the Black Stars crew, they are riding. 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 Every day, they're doing their work. Ooh, well, they're doing their work. They're doing it at their best. The progress they make in the ghetto, it's so right. Dancehall people, oh people, let's all unite. Like them your cause, Black Stars crew, they all right there. 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 Coming up, harder than the dread.
Because big we're getting bigger, and big we're getting bigger, and big we're getting bigger, yes, and big we're getting big. Dedicating them and lyrics to the biggest massive. Dedicating them and lyrics to the biggest massive. True, I'm on lyrics, I'm on getting progressive. Lord, and then dreadlocks, you won't get missing on this. Because I'm big we're getting bigger, and big we're getting bigger. Can no DJ go figure muckle in a wig. Yes, no DJ said them swatted like a pig. But I ain't done it, said them company nice dance still. Because I'm big we're getting bigger, and big we're getting bigger. Yes, tell them Black Star come for running down.
Well.
Lord of mercy. Flip our sound believe all day. When this a song I call a Black Star, when sound believe the way come down and make my but I never go on and stick the way go round and come and quick I tell you that.
Words again, yeah. Well, take a seat of all the massive. Every time.
Or is smoking down.
Red man.
And we come still in time, I play selection 19-1 and this one dedicated to our late night bleacher like myself. Scene.
One time.
Well tight man. Dedicated to the crew.
No big request to our dancehall lovers, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You know me, I'm Tiger and Zuzu.
This old word starts.
Oh, down in the say.
Lord, much.
Don't ask them on to sign up.
Yes.
That's how I notice.
Up to the top of the stage. My friends just drift right into space.
You call out something to say.
You don't have to wish to make it so. So let me tell you now, when I come home feeling tired and weak, I go up where the air is fresh and sweet.
You call out something now.
I get away from the hustle and the crowd and all that rat race noise down in the street.
More is you.
I said on the roof it's peaceful as can.
I see them style ya.
Yes, it is.
My operator voice.
Follow me. So
I
let's go
choose.
up on the roof. Sit up on the roof.
We up on the roof.
For at night the stars
Yeah, man.
on show.
And I operator the producer.
Share it all with me.
What about ya?
Let me tell you now, right smack down in the middle of town, I found a paradise that struggles through.
Now split out and scatter. Time to be music smart and you know what? That's a zoo.
Don't tell us you can part two times, see? Yeah, you call Crucial Earl Cunningham. One away, man. Come in, you. Second zoo.
Yeah. Well, I want to dedicate to the lovers passing in the area. See? Ooh yeah. Shooby-doo. I love you. Shooby-doo. I love you. Got to catch that plane at 7:30. Boom! Yeah. Why haven't you come to say goodbye? Where is you? Yeah. Time is running out and I'm still waiting. Oh I'm so lost without you, I could cry. Yeah. Yesterday you say you love me, everything seemed to be fine. Today you're not here, I'm so lonely. It's the waiting that's driving me out of my mind. Don't know what to sing in that big city. Oh girl, how can I perform if you're not there? Oh yeah, this will be the worst of all my journeys. The image of your face will follow me everywhere. Oh girl, I need your tender kisses, the feel of your hands to caress. The perfume's got me burning, it's the way that's driving me out.
What one ENT?
If you're not here by my side, and don't let the tears I try to hide. Don't think I can take it. You know I won't make it on my own. Oh girl, make it on my own. Bless her, I go mash it and go home. Yeah.
Now that was you can hold Cunningham. Now take it down slow, Smokey Jokers, last time no sin. Yeah, every time cool and deadly. Pull him up and chew it there. Can so do it every time. Sin. Lord have mercy. Every time. See? Lord have mercy. Never dreadlocks. They came to all the man who see them a shock and sting. 99 hours that we don't start get up, see? BLACKSTAR and get up and no sound can't hold him. BLACKSTAR and get up and no sound can't taste him. BLACKSTAR and get up and no sound can't hold him. BLACKSTAR and get up and no sound can't taste him. And we're coming from the days of King Tubby's, coming from the days of socialist roots. When we're coming and they dance, we come to tell you the truth. When they listen to Pastor and Jaja, know we sound nicer. Nicer than the goat man, we're nicer than the rest. So they say, BLACKSTAR and get up and no sound can't hold him. BLACKSTAR and get up and no sound can't hold him. Can't you for BLACKSTAR. Real and you for real BLACKSTAR. Sprint and you for sprint BLACKSTAR. Weather from an era, me say weather from far. Come in and the dance can be a wing superstar. Yes, I Mr. BLACKSTAR with us a nice up the lawn. Yes, I done the jet with us a nice up the lawn. Yes, I Mr. Tiger does a nice up the land. Me say BLACKSTAR and get up and no sound can't hold him. BLACKSTAR and get up and no sound can't hold him. Coming from the days of Mr. Right. And we're coming from the days of Prince Jasper. And we're coming from the days of the one Kingston. When we're coming and they dance and say we're physical fit. And we hold the microphone because we don't fade that shit. When we're coming and they dance and say we have to mash it, yeah. BLACKSTAR and get up and no sound can't taste him. BLACKSTAR and get up and no sound can't taste him.
Because BLACKSTAR and get up, everybody up and lose it. BLACKSTAR and get up, everybody up and do it. BLACKSTAR and get up, everybody them lose it. BLACKSTAR and get up, everybody them a do it. BLACKSTAR and get up, everybody them a screw it. BLACKSTAR and get up, everybody does a do it. Yes, BLACKSTAR, you want the rubber dub sound. Lord, that's how you want to wear up the crown. Now sick black people, I know you listen to BLACKSTAR, so you were crystal clear. We come to my team, Anthony Volvo, one of them you can power with we had, I don't know, we have promote some artists, seeing. And them youth from the BLACKSTAR, so you can Anthony Volvo, hear them style, man. Boom! What tight Carlton, we rule, man. What tight Sasa, respect true to General Cheese, man. That we rule, sin. I just should have posted the most almighty, I God to you.
Dabba deeper down low.
Now it's you.
Wabba doo doo. Oh, sleep down there. Due to rubber dub selection, BLACKSTAR sound in a different combination. Due to the rubber dub selection, BLACKSTAR sound in a different combination. We gonna break your back. We gonna break your back down.
selection. Blackstar sound in a different combination. Due to the rubber duck selection. Blackstar sound in a different combination. I don't need to back it, don't need to go. Blackstar play rubber duck and move. Don't need to back it, don't need to go. Blackstar play rubber duck and move. Due to rubber duck selection. Blackstar sound in a different combination.
What is dreadlocks and problem? I'm Blackstar around with music business. And the general done show that. We don't wrap up with music business last year, you know, see? I come part your style originally from the 13 Brentford Road. Yeah. Lord have mercy, me no dreadlocks. Urban, it's an urban juggling. Bright and early in the morning. This and the herb, man, juggling. Hey, side the Puerto Rican, them was waiting. This and the herb, man, juggling. Hey, in a New York, in a some big building. I saw me have three bridging man, them drive a V6. Tell them about the business, interested so quick. Then I miss a Zuzu, put trigger in a me hand. Transport your weed from a Westmoreland. This a herb man, juggling. Bright and early in the morning. But dime bag and nickel bag, them up to sell plenty. With a commercial urban, me say with a sensei. Sell them for 5, 10, 15 and 20. You come in on the dance and then you bond it plenty. You tell them this a DJ chat a reality. Me coming from the line of a Papa Briggy. We coming on the dance and then we nice it, you see. A urban is a herb man juggling. Put it bye-bye, bright and early in the morning. This and the herb man juggling. Put it bye-bye, we went and early in the morning. But dime back and nickel back, them up to sell plenty. This a brown back, you come to chat it with me.
Maggie and Tonto, we go to Westmoreland. We say we are going to start a little cultivation. We sow the ganja seed in a small seed pan. And when it get big, we carry it go to Orla. For 2 weeks, it aside the eradication. In case you never know where the plantation. We make a little trip, we go to Hanover. We sow the ganja seed, we get the centimilla. We send a ship load, go to Nicaragua. Send a boat load, gone up to Canada. Me jokes on me yard and a lick it chalwa. The postman come and me get a letter. Say in that letter was a postal order. In case you never know we come from Canada. I tell you Mr. But me get $1 million. Joe! Ganja people, them are money people. Ganja people, them are money people. Well, how come in down the jet?
And next week Wednesday, here is discotheque place at the place called The Pool. Scenes to meet down today to no late admission, strictly on good behavior. And on the 14th of April, I will to Skateland, you the team by the musical sound called the Kilimanjaro International of the Marshall Sound of Pasha.
I just hold every time.
Youth talent on the Malvo, man. Then you can sing for BLACKSTAR sound. Yeah.
It's a BLACKSTAR. Yeah. It's a rubber dub party. 2 big sound in the one dance hall. 2 big sound in the one dance.
You don't want to name no.
BLACKSTAR. Him are the #1 sound. Another one past the post. Another one tied to the baby, say you're tired of saying no.
How nice and lovely and take it slow.
Got yourself a job and you're working for time.
On the race is not for the swift. But who swings you a tight wallet?
You are trying to show you right from wrong. Girl, you never seem to understand where to do where you belong. I said now too low, it's hard to cry. When you got it, you gotta control it. It's a
Black Star party.
Do it, Malvo.
It's a rubber duck party. Big sound in the one down zone.
When it comes to combination, one play one zone. And the old man Crucial and Tony Malvo, they are live on the record. What the man have some Malvo?
Well, he's the man. Them style that dedicate to everyone. See, love cool. Jonathan and Finnegan. Different style still. See.
Well, yo, 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 yo. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. You're looking kinda lonely, girl. Would you mind someone that you can talk to? Well, oh yeah. I'm feeling kinda lonely too, and if you don't mind, I'll sit down here beside you. Well, oh yes. But if I come on too strong, I hope that you will hold my hand. But if I come on too strong, I hope that you will hold my hand. Sharing the night together, oh, yeah. Sharing the night together, oh. Would you like to dance with me and hold me the way that I've been holding you? Well, but if I come on too strong, I hope that you will understand. Hey. But if I come on too strong, I hope that you will hold my hand, sharing the night together. Whoa, come in now, come in now. Whoa, 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 whoa. See, just get up and rock it. Get up and move your body. Move your feet to the music. I know that you just can't refuse it. Say, can't do the move if you're not having no food. Can't do the move if you're not in a good mood. To be in a good mood, you have to buy a liquor too. Go back to the bar and you buy 2 more. This is BLACKSTAR styling. This a one-man versatile. Do the new thing styling. Whoa, 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 whoa. May I ever dance with you? Maybe one song or two. You're in a good mood, I've been watching you. I've been watching you all night long. Whoa, whoa, come in, Danny J.
Now it's like a sparkling starlight. This Black Star is here to hold it for the whole night. Now Dreadlocks is still in tune to the mighty sound called Black Star International, the female sound of partial. The youth called Upton Lindo, along with the youth called Robert French in a one, them style and wicked combination scene. Let get it to the street and the art.
Well, Dreadlocks start to the fast start and here comes the original. He's still in tune to the sound of champion, the song called Black Star International. Big request to all the night Skanker. Second one and John.
What time to watch it? No, you have a fair taste, man.
Let's go to in the day.
Robert French, you can Upton Lindo, big in a combination, man.
Star is waiting in a do you see Black Scorpio sitting in the day?
War is you
waiting for you. Black Scorpio sitting in the dance, waiting for you. Black Scorpio sitting right here, waiting for Black Scorpio, wondering.
or is my youth Smokey Joe? Your merciless selection. Now way down south the youth children used to play. Now it's the hard one today. The King Discotheque player. Where else the Bruck Bank?
Danny Jen knows says goals anytime we coming up. Them style request to our Steve Right Tights, our Saban people, Uptown people, second two on the roads. Kind of also we come in spear styling. You're always chatting. Original business dreadlocks. Second Zozo, easy all of the crew. Second Malvo and thing every time. You know how you mouth out. Me chat it carefully and intelligently. Me chat it carefully and intelligently. I'm coming from the line of His Almighty. I'm coming from the line of King Selassie. I'm coming from a daddy out of me mommy. I'm coming from the line of Super Cat and Early B. You know say Mr. Bucky man the ability. Me chat the rubber dub beside of anybody. Cause anytime me come me make you feel irate. Me walk from Black Stars as a mic empty. Anytime I work me up again me money. Me carry go a yard share it to me family. Like me mommy and me daddy, uncle and auntie. Me brother and me sister, wifey and baby. Cause they give me sabbat me and the DJ daddy. Me come a Black Stars kill them with style. You want you touch up the key operator for me. Touch up the key operator for me. Me chat it carefully and intelligently. I coming from the line of His Almighty. I'm coming from the line of King Selassie. I'm coming from the daddy out of the mommy. So tell you Mr. Bakim have the ability. We chat the rubber up beside of anybody. Now them want Mr. Back up in a New York City. Them want Mr. Back up in a New Jersey. Them want Mr. Back up in a Germany. Cause tell you Mr. Back I am the DJ daddy. Me chat it carefully and intelligently. Come watch me. Carefully and intelligently, me chat it carefully and intelligently. You know say that the kid and him a par with me. We walk under the stars and some I can see. We come a dance all and the girls love we. Say go and smoke it and I want you touch up the key. But they give me some back with late night style. I want you bend your back and then you bend your knee. Cause they give me some back and chat it really time. Me chat it carefully and intelligently. Me chat it carefully and intelligently. I'm coming from me daddy out of me mommy. I'm coming from the line of daddy Reggae. I'm coming from the line of Super Cat and Early B. So feel like a Papa Smokey. How we answer down the jet?
Yes man, may I show you. I'm still in tune to BLACKSTAR and Sound International, the mighty with Carl Crush and Robert French and the mute band and going on Nanneville scene. One of them long and play Marble and them thing that I'm gonna tell. Go!
Can't push up over, no. Can't push up over.
You know you try to push over. See? Away road.
So them a push. Can't push that over. No way. So them a push. When them can't push that over. They try their very best to start to the test. We want us to make progress. They don't want us to be a success. So stumbling blocks in our way, here and every way. Stumbling blocks I say, still I don't feel no way. No way. So them a push, for them can't push that over.
Them come with all bulldozer.
So them a push, for them can't push that over.
No, never.
They are dying to see us stumble, but Jaja ain't those who are humble. They are dying to see us fall, but with Jah help we now go star. So them a push, for them can't push that over.
Good and never.
So them a push, for them can't push that over. Some say in this, some say in that. Some say we are when we know we are not. They are trying to keep us down. They wanna trample we to the ground. So them a push, for them can't push that over. No way. So them a push, for them can't push that over.
We go with nice up there. The greatest operator, we are said on the jet.
Yes, dreadlocks, we are singing and dance. No man like Anthony Malvo and youth and Earl come now. We are said.
Release it. This one dedicated to Dennis Phil.
You are. Black
Blackstar Crew, of course. Oh, that is just cool. I love the way you are. I love the way you talk, yeah. I love the way you talk. Why? You're my cool operator. Girl, I wish you were mine. Oh, baby, I have got no money, no silver, no dime. All I want from you, baby, just love me all the time. There's a picture hanging on the wall. When my heart cries out, knowing you were gone. Say you got to be there, feel up there, hanging on the wall. Oh yeah, you say you got to be there, feel longing. I'm coming down the jet.
Yes, dreadlocks, Hopper style, scene. Can you hear Colonel Tonto go on the slim thing?
He's a dance.
Lord of mercy, hey him. Loving spirit, we have a loving spirit. Come bubble it. Loving spirit, we have a loving spirit. Boom! Loving spirit, we have a loving spirit. Then they have a new style and him out we bust it. Run go get your tape, make sure you tape it. Get a clean cassette and make sure it ribbit it. Just a ribbit it and ribbit it and ribbit on it. Now have a new style and me want you listen it. Yes, open up your ears hole and listen to it. From a gal look mellow than I feel like it. A gal look sweet than I feel ride it. A gal she no married than I go married it. A ribbit now baby I go ribbit in a it. Just take it down man slash I know. A different style scene. And we have a new tune out of street you know man. Yeah. Now you call Zuzu man like Bruck, Tonto, Irie Tiger. Hey, put it bye, sense nice, forward. Yeah, sense nice. Bang diddly, bang, dang, sense nice. Hey, yeah, sense nice. Bow, come catch it, come take it. Because up a foreign land, Lord, it cold like ice. Yes, up a foreign land, Lord, it cold like ice. And everything you buy out, tax on the price. But down in Jamaica, Lord, it's strictly paradise. We grow sense like China grow rice, sense nice, Lord. Yes, sense nice, Lord. Bang the label, bang, dang, but if you're happy and you love it, just say yo. Me talking for the fussy and the one them be bow. I tell them that they chatting come fi stir it up now, baby. Because no boy can't stop with farm, get the gold cup. So how me I go get it, just go pick it up, it name. And I pull up a BLACKSTAR and mash it up. And I pull up a BLACKSTAR and mash it up. Yes, tell them to the world and Lord, you come fi stir it up. Just tell them to the world, Tiger, Lord, you come fi stir it up. Hey, up in a it. In a this, hey, in a this, me at the premise in a this, hey. Dancing junket, come get the dancing junket. In a this, a dance, get the dancing junket. Yeah, man, dancing junket, come get the dancing junket. In coming at the dancing mother, pure agonies. One thing with him, the trouble people business. When you ask him what's the time, he tell you what it is. It's like you Mr. Tiger, me no check negative. With him, dancing junket, come get the dancing junket. My name is Papa Tiger, give you dancing junket. He coming on the dance, his name is your what? The block no fight with him, cause him no come what? When BLACKSTAR music nice him ball forward. Him not showing no stone now for no black body me man. Dancing junket, come get the dancing junket. Just tell them it's a tiger, give them dancing junket. Yeah, each and every time. Only for the lyrics with our mind style. So don't worry yourself. Sing, because nice up the place again, nice up the place. You tell them it's a tiger again, nice up the place. In the morning time, me used to space. Me come and it down, before me bubble me late. Hey, yes, Bruck.
Easy Tiger. When Dreadlocks he comes and I touch on the old call, Lincoln, Shuka, Continental, Cane Minott. The thing call all kind of people come and dance. Jump fence massive you want it up front. By the leader for the crew. Original style Dreadlocks, you know somebody select and skin up loaf now ramp. When I come on session combination style musical is called we can rub it till the morning. Cause we them crown the king. In a yard, in a later we have to wait up for it. Them style yeah, special design for BLACKSTAR International. No other sound player in the whole wide world. I bring some for that stock, keep running till the morning. Listen this car. We can rip it till the morning. Jama, now we can rip it till the morning. Yes, so, it can rip it till the morning. Yes, Tiger, it can rip it till the morning. But Mr. Back up and the microphone chanting. Who will be say, Bim! Go with the King Jam and them crown with the king. Go with the King Jam and them crown with the king.
I'm say, how you ride them rhythm, ya chatting. I'm say, how you ride them rhythm, ya chatting. You have the hand and the strong sense. Just because we know it from behind they are winning. And we say we're born with the teacher brigade. We hear the rhythm and we know we right. To the bye. Of you ride the rhythm chanting.
Because in a Kingston them up a crown with the king. Crown with the king up a golden spring. Crown with the king up a constant spring. Crown with the king round a red ring. Crown with the king in a St. Catherine. Yes, them crown with the king down in a Mandeville. I'm a buck a little girl and she say me a the king. Give me 4 chain and a 6 gold ring. In a Mandeville Tony and a no laughing. Did a drinking it up me, did a drink Heineken. Did a eat peanut, me did a eat jerk chicken. Come a Kingston and them say hail to the king. And I still play the old car Lincoln Continental Sugar Minott. I know say them style.
What I want you catch them style now? Where is the problem? I'm gonna go think called BLACKSTAR style, you see? Invented by Tiger and Malvo. BLACKSTAR style, you can catch it, BLACKSTAR style.
Wagwan ENT.